Morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Good to see you back. Back to business, baby. Yes, sir. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Can you guys hear me all right? Let's go, let's go. YOLO traders in the house. Thanks for the reminder. Hey, gang, so I finally put automatic record. So we are good to go. We're going to be just recording automatically nowadays. What up, everyone? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in. Storm Player, good to see you. What up, Stephen B? Dennis Hood's here. Gotta Trades in the house. What up, Gotta Trade? Ewan's here. What up, Louis G? Yo, my bad. I was about a live stream by myself. Yeah, I set the settings for private stream. Yo, what up? Sergio's in the house. Sergio TT Bank Santos. George VDM. What's good, George? What up, Classic Trader? What's up, Dominic Alexandros? Hey, yo, there he is. The big dog on campus. Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Yanosh? What's up, everyone? Welcome in. Welcome. Happy Monday to you all. It's good to be back. Good to start a new week. We are ready to go. Let me, Zoom link is out, and I think we're all set here today. Yeah, W's in chat. How y'all feeling? Y'all feeling good? Everybody have a good weekend? Yes, sir. W's. All right. All right. Let's get the party started. Boom. All right. I think we are good to go. All right. Lovely. All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Welcome in. As you guys settle in here today, give the stream a like for me if you haven't done so already. Pray. Yes, we will pray. Welcome in. Welcome in. All right, we are good to go. All right, let's pray and let's get it started here. So let's pray, gang. Father in heaven, Lord, we come to you in the name of Jesus, Lord. We thank you for another Monday, Lord. We thank you for your word this morning. We thank you for your blessing over this session. I ask that you speak to individual hearts here today, Lord, that you would bless them in this season of their life, and that whatever it is that their plan is, Lord, that you would make the plan for them, Lord, because your plan is always better. And even when we're in tough times, we know that trials are just to test our quality, Lord. So speak to anyone today going through their trials in life. Let them know that it's testing their quality, and they will become great for it, Lord. So we thank you for your blessing over us, and we just give you all the glory. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, let's rock. Let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll here. So welcome in again, everyone. It is Monday. Today is a fresh new week for us. I really, really do have a great feeling about this week. I think we're going to go ahead and see some awesome action here today. There's going to be, or today and this week, there's going to be a lot of volume coming in. In case some of you guys don't know, we're going to take a look and go over the news here for the week. I'm not sure if you guys have seen Sam Capital and his new video that he did in the Fundamental channel, but we are going to take a look at the news before anything here today, and see what we got ahead of us for the week, right? So settle in. Let's get ready to roll. How's the music? Music good? Did you guys like the stream? I think we're good. Yeah, I think the music's good, and let's get it started. So today is the 11th of December. It is the last month of the year. We got a big week ahead of us. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on in the news. Today is just another day like any other day. It's a day to be professionals, right? It's a day to be disciplined. It's a day to stick to what we know works best. And that's what we're going to come in and do here today. So let's go ahead and see what we got going on. So again, Monday is the 11th here of December, and not much happening here today. So pretty clean day. Not much news happening at all. I think there's just something going on at 1 p.m. later on in the afternoon. But that's about it. But hey, don't hold your breath too much, because Tuesday we jump right into it, right? So Tuesday we've got CPI coming in hot here at 8:30. It's going to be a big red folder here. You should see lots of volume coming in on Tuesday. And then, yeah, everything's just kind of, I think, wrapping up here for the year end. So bunch of things coming out there. But that's, again, later on in the afternoon, 1:01 p.m. Not sure why they just don't do it at 1 p.m., but 1:01 p.m. will be the 30-year bond auction here. So that's going to be Tuesday. Wednesday, we've got PPI. So Wednesday, we've got PPI. We've also got crude oil inventories. We also have FOMC coming in on Wednesday. So Wednesday, we'll have a double stream. We'll have one stream for the New York session, and then we'll have another stream for the FOMC press conference here, probably right around 2 p.m. So Wednesday is going to be heavy news following heavy volume with CPI. So you've got a lot of volume Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll have 3 streams within the within those 2 days. And then Thursday, we've just got unemployment claims here. So retail sales, pretty solid week if you ask me, in terms of news here. So that's about it. And then Friday, I think we're pretty clean. Yeah, Friday we just got 8:30 news. That's about it. So 9:15 orange folder, and then actually we do have PMI here late Friday. So okay, so yeah, gang, it's gonna be it's like a sea of red folders here this week. So lots of volume to end the year. I think we're going to be able to see some ranges get filled here this week. So we'll be ready for it. But that's pretty much what we got going on here for the news, for the fundamentals. It should be a wild week. If you guys haven't watched Sam Capital's video yet, go ahead and check that out. I think it's like a 5-minute video. So he'll talk a little bit more about this, and then obviously he'll talk about it more, throughout the week. So let's go ahead and see what we got going on the charts here, right? So we can plan our day and see what it is gold is doing. So let's go ahead and take a look at the monthly and kind of settle things down from the monthly time frame here. So taking a look at the monthly, right? We know that we're in this area here where price was up in these all-time highs and rejecting, right? Every single time we came up here, we've rejected, and looks like we're rejecting here again, right? So monthly candle is trying to push its way back down here, and seeing right now this box, right? This is the box. We're just going to call it the box, right? This is the box. And as long as you remain up here, I think that you're in pretty good standings to continue up. But if we start closing back below, then you're most likely going to see gold, come back down here and retest these support levels. So we'll see what we do. We still have 18 days left in the month. That's also going to be the end of the yearly candle as well. And we already talked about it last week. Maybe we'll revisit again sometime this week. But we already talked about the yearly candle and what we could expect, and what we could expect here on the next few monthly candles as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly and see what we're doing here today. So weekly candle last week obviously did close with this rejection. We also closed bearish, forming a resistance level here, and now it looks like we have a support level down here at like 1930, and that's probably going to be the target here, right? If we're closing below, you should see this candle drive down and retest that support level there, looking something like that. So pretty bearish based off the weekly. Again, we do have this nice exhaustion wick here too. And let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. So daily chart has been phenomenal here. We talked about this Monday, right? Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Monday. Yeah, so we talked about this last week about how this daily candle had closed below support here. So you had a candle closing below this level of support, which is right here. Therefore, we jump into this new range, which is down here until 1990, and price has just about reached target at this point, right? We're kind of targeting this support level down here, understanding that we were in a new range, that we should fill that new range, and we did fill that range, right? This was the range right here, and that range is just about filled at this point. So as you can see, we did create a new support, a new resistance within there, trying to retest this this support here, which we did that a few times, and very clean price action. Just a resistance formed, a little you have a high, you have a low, a little higher low, and then back down to this this 1990 zone. So we called this move, we anticipated this move, and it worked out pretty well here. So let's go ahead and see what we got going on, right? Because we did close bearish, right? We do have a support right here that we closed bearish below, right? This candle closed. You have this next support here at 1990, in which we had our eyes set on for since last week. And then you've also got, you know, these levels down here, right? This 1969 zone, really, I would say right here. So this may be the actual support that price is looking to tap into off the daily, and that's going to be 1977. I could totally see that price getting hit here. As you can see, many wicks down into this area. Price should do the same thing here as well. I don't know if it'll happen on this daily candle. It may be another daily candle. We'll see, but we are pretty bearish based off the day, right? So we did break the lows here. So we've created a top wick. We've also broken the lows. We should come down, retest 1990, and then potentially come on down here to 1977. So let's go ahead and plan the day out here, right? Because I would be open to take buys here today. I would also be open to take sells here today. It's just a matter of what's going on here on the lower time frame. So as you can see, the 4-hour is working on creating a support, and that support is right in the zone of another support, right? And another support and another support, right? So price is trying to print a support level here for somewhat of a retracement on the 4-hour chart. Let's go ahead and see what the 1 hour and the 30-minute look like. So 1 hour is ranging quite a bit here. As you can see, you've got support here, a lot of support, resistance up here, and this is the current range you're in. So you can move your line here. Let's measure the pips here, and that's about 27 pips. So I wouldn't be touching that. I would wait for range 2 buys above that, or a simple closure above 1999 here for price to run up clean traffic. Hey, chat, we got FVGs, right? Is that what it's called? FVG, right? Isn't it 3 candles? Something like that. I think I seen something on this over the weekend. So we got a clean range coming up here, right? So if you do get candles closing, right, above the range here, then there's a high chance that price will continue up to retest the resistance up here, right? So boom. Nah, it's not. All right, sorry, I thought it was. Anyway, so yeah, so that's kind of the goal here for buys. I could see price moving up to 2010. If you don't get what you're looking for at 2010, then you know, there's clean buys above that, right? So you got clean buys in this range going from basically 2010 to like 2025 here, so 2026. So that's what I'll be looking at here for buys. Now look, this candle here can tap into the support, right, reflip bullish and create its own support now, right, a little bit higher, right, and then something like this, because what do we still need? We still need a top wick here, right, for the weekly. I think we have like a small top wick. Let me see. Yeah, so what's the chance that this weekly may come up and create a new top wick, right? The weekly broke the lows first, you know, couple hours of the weekly candle there, so we're gonna see what happens. There's also a lot of support, right? 4-hour supports here on the left hand side. Same thing with the 1 hour. It looks very choppy until you get below like 85 here today. So we'll see. We may have opportunities to take buys here if we do get the closures we're looking for. Let's go ahead and take a look at that on the 30-minute. 30-minute, we may have to move that up, and yeah, that's pretty much how we're gonna sit, I believe. Yeah, so I'll either look for some sort of fake out, right, in this zone, or range 2 buys. Something like that's going to work out for me here today. If we can, being that we're bearish on the day, this is ideally what I would like to see, right? Price move up and give us some sort of a fake out, right, somewhere in these ranges, or just a simple resistance formed. Something like this, right, where price gives us resistance, and then we can take that driving back down, because below here is super choppy, right? You've got like supports and supports. If we look left again, that it gets a bit choppy. So I would much rather take my sells from like 98 or 2000 here today than trying to tempt them below 92, because below 92 is just chalked, right? Support everywhere. So yeah, I want to see if we can get a pullback here. What that would probably look like too on the 4 hour would be something like this, right? You kind of create this resistance level, come probably up into like 97 here, create a resistance, and then the next 4-hour candle starts to come down, right? So you create resistance here, maybe you close a no top wick, next candle drives down. So we'll see what happens here today. As of right now, I'm just going to keep my levels where they are. 30-minute time frame, basically going to look for range 2 buys above 2000 here, and yeah, I'm just gonna move this up a little bit towards like here, because I want to make it known that I want to spot some fake outs here. So let's do this. Let's just put a potential fake out for sells here, and this is also where I'll be looking for range 2 buys above. All right. So it's either the fake out or a resistance up here, or we wait for actual second range above 2000, and that's where we take our buys. Cool. Sweet. That's what I'm gonna stick to. And then look, there's more and more clean buys, right? Let's measure the range here. Yeah, there's more and more clean buys above these levels here today. Yeah, coming right up into here. Yeah. All right, so that's going to be the day. We'll see about potential buys above 2000, because we already did kind of create this new range and consolidating. So we'll see what happens when the volume comes in here and what price looks like. But that's pretty much going to be the day here for me. Yeah, pretty simple Monday here. Just going to draw some rectangles, and I think that is good to go. I really don't want to take sells below 92. Yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, it's got to be below 85 here. Yeah, unfortunately. Yeah, they got to be below 85 for me. Too much chop to the left. Yeah, I'm going to mark this support off anyway. But, yeah, much cleaner below 85 here. So, yeah, that's going to be the day. That's going to be the day here. And look, if price does want to push up above 2000, right, and start flipping bullish, if you start re-breaking this high here, right, this is the daily top wick here, then you should see a major push up. So let's wait on volume here. NY Open coming up in about 30 minutes. We'll see where we're at when that happens. And other than that, it's just time to chill. Time to hang out, time to chill, and see where we go. Yep, that's it. What is this range here? This is like a 75 pip range. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Cool. So yeah, that's it. That's gonna be the day there on gold. Want to see some new price action here too. Looks like there was some decent sells here. What was this? Is this an Asian session? Yeah, I think so. 21. Damn. Yeah, this was pretty nice right here. This position coming down at, what was that, like 10 p.m. Eastern to retest support. Look, you would have tapped target there. Yeah, lovely. And then we've been consolidating. So notice how before all this happened, all right, forget about all this. Right, price had created resistance. And what do we know? What play do we love to see here? We like to see when price moves down. Let me get a different color here. Price moves down, creates a support, comes back up, creates a resistance. What do we know? We know that 85% of the time, this support will be retested, right? So what do you see happen? Candles come down after resistance and retest support. And then after that support is retested, then what happens? Consolidation. Right? Getting ready for the next big move now. So we consolidated all throughout London and start and pretty much all throughout pre-New York here. So we'll see. We should get a decent move here. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cool. So this is probably going to be the target here on buys today, which is like 2021. Way back up here. 2020, 2021, somewhere in this range. That's going to be a pretty nice range too, right? 130 pips. This one right here is about almost 70. So you got almost a 70 pip range here. So again, when volume comes in, we'll see where we're at. Yeah. Will it reach 2,000? It could. It could. Anything is possible. Yeah, I mean, you could pump up like this right here. Right? Close above this area here. This is going to be a clean move. Whatever happens in 2000 to 2007 will be a fairly clean move. Clean move. So, yeah, I mean, what I would love to see is something like this, right? We can get like a celery play above there. Nice grab on the new 4-hour candle, and then just start pumping up if the 4-hour wants to close bullish. All right, so you may see something like that here today. Good morning, good morning. What up, Forex Frank? Good morning. Bink bink. Yeah, that would be nice. Close 80 at 70 pips. Oh, yeah. When drawing tools, are you using draw candle? Oh, I'm using Zoom to draw. Yeah. Good morning, Mustajab. Mustajab. Where's Musta Hook? Musta left hook, Musta right hook. We'll probably see some usernames like that now. Sergio TT Bank Santos and a Heezy. What up, son? What's my favorite cake? I don't like cake. Cake likes me, but I don't like cake. Wow, you making cakes today, Hero of the Day? Shout out to Hero of the Day is in the house as always. When's Sam gonna come? I don't know. He just pops up whenever he would like. Every single day. Me not Sam's boss. Sam come when Sam come. Sam will be here when Sam's ready. Cash is my cake. Hey, see, Stephen D. Stephen B. Not Stephen D. What up, Andrew Tater Tot? My man. Yeah, let's take a look at pound yen here really quick, too. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah, let's take a look at GJ real quick. So, taking a look at the weekly really fast here, right? We noticed that the weekly drove down heavy last week, mainly Friday's candle, right? And we came into this range here that is a strong strong support level, right? So as you can see, if you kind of flip gold upside down, it's kind of like what we're looking at here on pound yen, right? Rejection, rejections, all to this downside here. So most likely you'll see a big push up now, right? You'll probably see a big push up, as I believe you are seeing with the with this daily candle here. So daily candle's moving up really nice, coming up to give this candle a top wick and to retest this level of support, right? It's no surprise, GJ moving up, creating a top wick, also retesting the zone here. And we'll see if we want to come back down or if we're gonna, boom, and move up here. So there's your two options for pound yen. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours moving up very nicely here as well. You did have very clean traffic moving up for gold to come. For pound yen to come on up. Looks like you did get a support here on the 1 hour time frame as well. And yeah, you're basically just attempting to retrace this whole move here. This whole entire move. So you've got clean traffic, moving up. Let's take a look at the 30. 30 probably needs to come down and, create some sort of support, right? We're moving into this resistance level here. I think if you can come down, create support, there'll be more option or more opportunity to take buys. I wouldn't take buys right here unless we get a closure above 184, 433 here. And then you've got a pretty clean move coming up towards this like 185 area. So that that's it. You need a retracement here on pound yen. If you're in buys, great, but if you're not and you're looking to get into buys, well, yeah, I think you need a bit of a pullback. So yeah, I'll just look for a pullback here on GJ. Looking left, where could we find that pullback? Yeah, we may come down into these ranges here. Yeah, maybe even lower, maybe up here. So we'll have to wait for it, right? Just got to wait for support. Yeah, you most likely get a resistance and then price move down here. So, man, GJ, what the heck? Would you look at that? Just look at it. 1.1 watching, only 255 likes. Hey, yo. Chat, what the heck? Well, would you look at that? Hey, where the likes at? Let me give the stream a like. Let me just give the stream a like myself. Oh my God, 265. Oh man. That's quaking. Likes are quaking. What's going on? What in the world is going on, chat? All right, anyway. So yes, I just wait for a pullback there on GJ, and you should be straight. All right, so that's it, man. That's the day here on gold. It's 7:30 here. We'll see if, the 1 hour wants to do something here, but as of right now, there's really nothing going on for gold. We're just trying to break out of this range here. What's this range here? 27 pips, yeah. Hey, Prudy Febbles in the house. Of course I remember you. How could we forget a name like that? How you been, my friend? It's been a while. It's been a minute. How you been? What prop firm am I using? I'm using the Funded Trader. Good morning, Pablo. What up, homie? Oh, now the likes are coming in. I like when the likes are coming in. YOLO Trader's in the house. What up, YOLO Trader? How you feeling today, brother? Brother. Bring out the whole likes, chat. Deploy barcode strategy. I'm gonna trade on my PC for the first time. Hey, you're gonna be like, wow. How was I ever trading on my laptop or phone? Yeah, my brother Joe trades on a laptop. He comes over to here, he sits in my desk here, and he's like, whoa. Whoa. Oh yeah, weekend was fantastic. How was everyone's weekend? That's right, the weekend. What up, level up? Barcode strategy on the 1 hour. Yep, working out well here. Buy right now? Yeah, I mean, if it makes sense to you. If it makes sense to take a buy, take a buy. If it makes sense to take a buy, chat. If it makes sense to take a sell, take a sell. Yup. Don't let me hold you back. Oh wow, betrayed on the phone for 5. See, I say to you what you say to me. I don't know how you do it. I don't know how you use a phone. I've tried, but it's too complicated. MT5 on the desktop is just too easy and simple. Yeah, no, I gotta use desktops, man. Can you give a review on the book You Were Born Rich? Should I read it? It was a good book. It was a really good book. And my review, I would just simply say that what I got from it was we're already rich. Now we just got to figure out how much money we want. Simple review. We're already born rich. Now we just got to figure out how much money do we want. Do you trade on MT5? Yeah. What up, Brian? What's good? Yeah, MT5 right here. I tried to do it on my phone, never again. Got my hard copy of The Slight Edge. Oh, nice. Yeah, you're going to love that book, Mr. Craft. It's going to craft you into the best crafter that the world has ever seen. Oh yeah, if all you got is a laptop, then that's what you got to use. You know, I mean, when all I had was a laptop, I used it. Right? If all you got is a phone, that's all you need. You don't need these things. They're just nice. Meeting with my mentor went great. Absolutely incredible. Yeah. Yeah, I'll tell you guys more about it. What's your review on Forex mindset? The Forex mindset is to have that disciplined professional mindset. That's my favorite Forex book. Yeah, I keep it right here at all times. Yeah, what I really took away from the Forex mindset was to really keep things simple. Keep them simple, keep them straightforward, show up every day, look for the same things, do the same things. That's what I got from the Forex mindset, right? Because when you show up every day with a concrete plan and you know what you're looking for, and you know other traders may be looking for other things, and it's fine, right? Everybody's got a little bit of a different system, and everyone can in a way be right also, right? So maybe someone's looking for buys, someone's looking for sells, but someone's going to take those positions at 2 different times, and maybe the market will be in their direction at that time. But you know, just to have something concrete, you know, something to approach the markets with every day that you could say, hey, I know why I took this trade. I know what I'm waiting for here today, and just making sure things are simple. And that's the biggest thing I took away from the Forex mindset, was to have that mindset, that simplicity, right? Don't overcomplicate things. Just come to the markets day in and day out, do the same exact things. Oh, nice. Habib. Got you. That's what we do, man. This is what we do. We show up day in and day out for our dreams and goals. We don't make excuses. We just keep it moving. Yeah, GJ rejecting this 30-minute resistance here as well. So yeah, once you get that pullback, so this is what I'm looking for here on pound yen. You want to see candles pull back a little bit and give you a support level, right? If you can find a support at any point, wherever that is, I think price will be ready to move back up. So once that support is formed, then you can take your buys moving up now, right? And if you get closures above, you should drive here. Just trying to finish the job. Just trying to retrace that whole move. I'm hyped about the podcast. Oh, yes. Yeah, I got a new interview dropping on the ASFX podcast, gang. I think that's dropping tomorrow or Wednesday. Yeah, Austin Silver and the gang over there at ASFX. How long you been trading? I started learning about Forex right around 2018. I seen like people posting about it in like 2017. Started getting curious in 2018. Started, really starting to learn more in 2019, and then 2020 was when I really made a decision to go all in. Yeah, and what's crazy, gang? Man, I'm telling you, life is a trip. It really is. Oh man, when back in 2020, so in 2019, things got rough, right? I started to lose a lot of what I had built from my prior businesses, and things began to get tough financially, and that's when I decided to dive into this. My wife was maybe like 3 months pregnant with Alea. And just knew I had to do something. I picked up a rinky-dink job at that point just to kind of put some money up. And during that job, it was like a delivery job. And I'd just be listening to podcasts all day, trading podcasts. I listened to the Trading Nut. I listened to ASFX. I would listen to, Anthony Williams and them guys over there. What was that? The Traders Society or something like that. And I would just consume these pods all day, man, like just learn as much as I possibly could about trading. And, ASFX was one of the big ones. And, I thought to myself, man, imagine if I can get on the show one day and like, wow, me and Austin, we met up, we had a good time. We had a cigar and stuff, chilled for a bit. And then a couple days later, we did the podcast. And, I really didn't think much of it. But, man, when I seen the whole thumbnail and everything, I'm just like, damn, like we really did that. Like we really got on the ASFX podcast. And it's just a sign that, like, gang, anything is possible. Like if you put your mind to it, if you get committed and you get disciplined and you really crystallize that vision. I wanna emphasize crystallizing the vision, because at the end of the day, that's the most important thing, is really understanding where you want to go. And, I would look at myself and I would shout my goals in the mirror, and people would think I'm crazy. And I would say, I'm going to do blah, 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 and that's it, period. And I will not be denied, right? And everyone would think I was nuts. My wife knew what I was doing, but bless my wife's heart. You know what I mean? Just living with me. It's crazy. But yeah, man, to just see these things unfold and, these things come to fruition is just pretty awesome. So, dream big, gang. Crystallize your vision. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. I promise you that. Yeah, so looking forward. And you know what? We chilled. We hung out. We had a good time. Just like another regular friendship, regular dude hanging out with. Didn't really think anything much of it, but man, when when the whole thumbnail thing came out, that's when it finally hit me like, damn. Wow. Okay. All right. We were really on the ASFX podcast. So yeah, so that'll be dropping, I think, Tuesday or Wednesday this week. Apply the slight edge every day. That's all I've done. I've truly just lived the slight edge. I don't think I've done anything special. I don't think I'm anyone great. I just think I'm consistent. That's it. As you guys know, I love the process. You know, I love the process of things. I don't shy away from the process where most people do, right? They want the end result. I know truly there is no end result. You're never going to arrive, right? My wife talks about this all the time. Like you never really get to a point of arrival, right? Like it's peak to peak, you know, it's glory to glory, it's goal to goal, it's victory to victory. It's just, you just keep marching along, right? And going about your business and what God called you to do. So I just love the process, man. I love the process. No matter what it is. Fall in love with the process. Create your own reality. Yeah, once you figure out that this whole thing is a scam, like life is a scam, the financial institute, everything is a scam. Once you finally figure that out, you will begin to create your own life. Go read man. Damn. It'll come to me. It'll come to me. Yeah, you deserve to be free. You were called to be free. You were called to be free, right? Bible says, you, my friends, were called to be free. But don't use your freedom to indulge in sinful nature and act like an idiot, right? Go out there and serve people, help people, love people, share, right? We were called to be free, gang. We're not called to live in bondage. We're not called to live in poverty. That's not from a good God. Are you going to take a holiday? Yes. Yep. Once you got to get out the matrix. Step out the matrix. Hey, yo, Rafi's in the house. Let's bring Rafi up here. What's up, my friend?
Good morning, my brother. How you doing today, man?
Fantastic. You?
Man, I'm doing
Fired
fantastic.
Up.
Blessed. Oh, man, you can't even know.
Fired up.
Monday morning. Oh, let's get it.
Yeah,
What's going on, chat? Good morning, everybody. How's your weekend, Nick?
Great. One of the best weekends I've had in a long time, man. Spent a lot of time in monk mode, like a lot of time in solitude this week, a lot of time in prayer. Just, I've gotten so many good downloads, I can't even spill them all here. I'll be honest, they can't even come out here today. We'd be talking for like 5 hours.
I feel you. No, I feel you. I feel like I was in the same thing, even though I went to see my mom. I still, I got up early, got myself 3 hours for myself to work on stuff, and I got some pretty good downloads, which I'm excited too, bro. That's sick. That's sick.
Yeah, man. Well needed. Really wanted to kind of reflect on the year and look towards next year and just, spend time in gratitude and prayer and stuff. So I usually do that around this weekend every year, and really just kind of look back on the year and see where we've come from, and you know how what direction we're going in for next year. So yeah, man, it was awesome weekend.
That's so powerful, you know, to do that, because a lot of people just wait until it's January 1st. Okay, what am I gonna do this year? You're late.
Yeah, you're already
late in the race.
Yeah. Oh yeah. And I've been late, you know, so that's how I realized, hey, the winners are preparing long before, right, they ever enter the ring, right? Everything is won and done in preparation. So yeah, man, you know, most people spend more time planning their summer vacation than they plan spending their life. And if you could just do the opposite, then you will live the opposite way, right? You will probably vacation every day of your life, and you know, instead of once a week. So all about prior proper planning prevents poor performance, man.
Absolutely. Look at this. I'm looking over here because I write my stuff everywhere, and I have it all here on my phone. Last time that I updated my goals for 2024 was November 30th. That was the last update that I did, the last edit for 2024 on November 30th.
So last week.
Yeah.
Nice.
We might make another adjustment here in the next couple of days or so, but for the most part, everything's
ready. Yep. We ready. Back to business. Yes, sir. Will you have a personal teacher for your kids in the future? Yeah, probably just a little bit of us, a little bit of them, you know. Yeah, my daughter's learning Spanish too, man. So she's been speaking English and Spanish.
Let's go.
Yeah.
It's Anna speaking to her in Spanish, or is she just learning at school or something?
No, because she stays here all day. So Anna just teaches her, like, just talks to her in Spanish and in English. So, you know.
Oh, nice, man.
Yeah.
How about Maverick?
Maverick's talking a bunch, bro. Last 2 weeks, this man's been a chatterbox, so he's getting there too now. He's got awesome. The shortcut, you know, because he's got an example. So
yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, chatting away. This kid's is crazy, man.
How old is he again? 2 or 1?
Maverick's 1, Alea's 2. Yeah, Alea will be 3 though. She'll be 3 in February.
What day?
February 18th is Alea's birthday.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Mine is the 21st.
Party time.
I know.
Who's coming to Tampa to party with us, man? We need some friends out here. We need some TTE soldiers out here.
Yeah, I'm telling you, man. That's in my radar. That's why I asked you that question yesterday. You know, it's like it's in there. It's in there.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Maverick is July 7th. 7/7. Maverick was. I have a cousin, and we were. Her and my wife were pregnant same time. Her due date was 7/7, and our due date was 7/6. And their baby came on the 6th. Our came on the 7th.
Oh wow!
What? What's your overall thoughts on Raja? Hey, I think Raja's great. I think he's a great trader. I haven't really learned like much outside of trading from him, but in terms of trading, I think he's great. I think he was able to simplify this stuff and, you know, teach a lot of people a simple method of trading. So I couldn't be more grateful for that. Where's Joe Fargo? I'm waiting. Oh wow. 22. Oh damn. Yeah, I like what Raja has done in the industry a little bit. Like he found a need with Magic Keys. He filled it. He decided to start his own broker. I mean, he's good. He take risks. You know, he pushed it further than just trading. AB Mike, what's good? AB Mike, send me a DM on Discord. Yeah, I'll take a look. How you doing, brother? No comment. He's an entrepreneur. Yeah, he's an entrepreneur. Yeah. Did you see Scammer? No, I don't. I have no idea who that is. All right, 2 minutes for the NY Open here coming up. Not much clear price action just yet. He's a good trader, but bad teacher. I think he's a good teacher. I don't know. There's something about the way he speaks. I could just understand it. Yeah. I like getting yelled at too sometimes. Don't be an idiot. All right. I won't. Which days of the week are the best trading days? I can act sick 2 times. You can call it, you got 2 sick days per week at work. I don't know, man. I don't know. I just come to the markets every day and do my thing. I would say probably later in the week are going to tend to be your, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, probably Monday, Tuesday, things get going. But, we've had great days on Mondays and Tuesdays too. So it's really hard to say. Oh, thanks, Ali Reza. Ali Reza, is that how you say it? Ali Reza? Yeah, that's what we do. That's what we're here to do. As a multimillionaire, what trade manager do I use? What do you mean? Trade manager? What's that? Saturdays and Sundays. Red Built. 100%. Yeah. Those are my best days. Saturdays and Sundays. I never lost on a Saturday or a Sunday. So, yeah. What do you mean by keeping it simple? Keeping it simple means showing up day in and day out looking for the same things, right? Having a concrete game plan, what you're looking for, and not budging on anything outside of it. Just keeping it simple. As a trader I know says, he says, it's either F yes or F no. It's either there or it ain't. Your setup is you're either pregnant or you're not, right? There's no maybe, there's no kinda, right? Your setup is either there or it isn't. So that's what I mean by keeping it simple. What up, TK? TK's in the house. My man. Oh, are you talking about trade copier? Or trade manager like trade copier? Brian? I'm not sure if that's what you mean, but yeah, if that's what you mean, then Traders Connect. Is it good to trade after the 15th? Well, we'll be trading. When will we be trading till? We will be trading until the 22nd. I will be looking at the charts until the 22nd of this month. And then after that, I will be chilling for a bit. Probably going to do a little bit of traveling and see some family, spending Christmas in Miami. So I'll be down there for like a week. And yeah, I think we'll be back on like the 8th or something. Second week of January. Yeah, so we'll see how we do here at 8:30, 8:15, and see where we're at. Four hour is still got an hour left in it, right? We are at this 4 hour support. Let's keep that in mind. I wouldn't even care if this 4 hour drives right here and closes below the range. Then we could look for more sells below 85, which are honestly the cleanest sells of the day. So we'll see what happens here. We'll see. We'll see. We're still in the range here. Still just consolidating on this 1 hour time frame here. All right, just a nasty consolidation. Oh, trade manager like Magic Keys? Yeah, Magic Keys then. Morning, laddies. Good morning, everyone in Zoom. What up, Travis? Good morning, bro. How's the weather up there, Rafi?
Man, it's I went to Kansas City. It wasn't that cold. Here, I don't know. I mean, I haven't left the house yet. I'm still kind of dark. But it's
nice.
You know, you just get used to it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, a couple days in, you're like, all right, back to reality.
Yeah, at the beginning it was shocking. It was like, whoa, what was happening? But you know, you just get used to it after a while. My skin though is like dry, bro. It's crazy how quickly it dries.
Oh yeah, especially dude living out in Bali. I mean, you probably just because of the actual weather out there, it's probably just makes your skin nice and hydrated and.
Yeah, you're constantly moisturizing. It's so humid out there. You're sweating.
Yeah,
like,
you just
your pores are open. So
just
like
literally.
Here,
Your pores shut real quick. Yo, they put the hoodies on.
started quaking.
Man's pores started
Yeah.
quaking. Damn. That's funny. Quaking.
Yeah, no, but we're heading back. We're heading back the first week of January, so we're looking forward to that.
Nice. So you still got some time. You got some
Yeah,
time
4
on the
weeks.
clock. Sheesh. Man said, "Yeah, we're heading back," as if like you were heading back like in like 2 or 3 days. Like, yeah, we're heading back.
No, the thing is,
Don't worry.
We were thinking about heading back mid of January.
Oh, so you shortened it.
Nah, bro.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
You coming to Tampa before you head back or no? Or you want to come back after?
I'm thinking about it.
Yeah.
No, because we're gonna come back for summertime.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, just because I'm gonna spend Christmas here and then I'm gonna have to go to Utah, like right after Christmas. I'm gonna be there for a while as well.
Gotcha.
I'm with my friend, with my brother. So then after that, I have like 4 days or something. So like I'm trying to figure out how would that, if I make it happen on this trip or when I come back in the summer.
Gotcha.
I think the summer will make more sense, so I can actually stay longer. You know.
Yeah, go back home for a bit and then come back out.
Yeah. Yeah, but I'm already doing the research. I'm already kind of looking around and see.
Nice. Yeah, check the area out. It's nice. I'm looking at NASDAQ too here, chat. Got a pretty clean range if you can get a closure above that resistance there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour real quick. Yeah, if you get a close above here, or yeah, let's go look left. Yeah, you got a nice clean move ahead of us. So I think if we can get closures above 16098, then that's going to be our best bet. There's a resistance here as well. It's only like a 16 pip range. So I think best bet is we are looking for buys here today, right? For price to continue up. If we do get closures above there, that means we are breaking the current and previous highs, and we should fill the wick at that point. So that's probably where I'll be looking for buys, and then range 2 sells below here. Yeah, below 16037. Range 2 sells. Yeah. Yeah, Nas is actually pretty clean here today. Yeah, you have this move here, but again, it's like 16 pips. Oh, actually, no, you got a pretty decent move up. 30 pips. Yeah, actually, never mind. Yeah, that's what it was. That 30-minute support's in the way there. So, yeah, Monday I'll just be patient here on NASDAQ and see if we can get a move up. See if we could break those highs and fill that wick on that daily candle there. Yeah. Goldie, what we gonna do? I'll be right back, chat.
Yo, we got Johnny Boyce in the house. My dude. What is happening over here?
Johnny London's here?
Yeah.
Let's get him up front and center. What up, Mr. London?
Yo, what's good, boys?
What's good?
What's going on, brother?
Oh, what up? How you boys doing today?
Well,
Fantastic.
amazing, dude. How about you?
Hey, man, I'm blessed. Feeling super grateful. Excited for a new week. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
That's what it is. That's what it is.
Big
Yes,
week
sir.
coming up. Big week. Place your
Morning,
trade,
chat.
bro. What trade? What trade we placing, bro?
Who's hyped for a new week? Let's go.
New week, baby. Mr. London. Yeah. How was your evening, my man, after you left?
Man, it was good.
Yeah.
Didn't do much, just went back, chilled, and got some sleep.
Good.
What about you? You as well?
Yeah. Oh, I knocked.
Yeah, bro.
I
Kind
was
of left
out.
your crib a little late.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. That brother's starving.
Yeah, man.
Sandman's in the house.
Oh, brother. Torn player, what's up, bro?
Had a good weekend, John?
Yeah, man. Great weekend. Super chill out. What about yourself?
Oh man, it was good. It was good. Saw my mom for after 3 years. That was good.
Oh,
It was
nice.
really nice.
Wow.
That's dope.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
3
took her out
years.
shopping. Yeah, that was fun, bro.
Nice, man. Sounds fun. Probably felt great seeing your mom.
Yeah, she got a little emotional and stuff,
Oh yeah.
but
She's your mom.
My
What do you
mom
expect?
For real.
you know,
You'd be the toughest dude. You'd be the toughest dude out here. Go see your mom after 3 years. Hi, honey. Oh my God, I miss
Yeah.
you. Oh,
For real.
yeah. The best
That's
part
great,
was
bro.
just eating the good food, man. Mom cooks, you know. When mom
Oh.
cooks, man, it's different.
it hits
Some home cooked
different.
meals, man. Facts.
Yeah, yeah.
Facts, bro.
It's like mom's and grandma's food, bro. They hit different.
They
That's
really
true.
do, especially around the holiday time, because then, like, you know, you move out, you dip out, and you don't have that anymore. You're just like, you're eating your stuff now or someone else's dish, and then when you finally go
Right.
back home, it's like, this is what we've all been
What I've been
waiting
waiting
for.
For real.
Yeah.
John's going back to New York for Christmas. I'm staying
Yes,
in
sir.
Florida.
Next week.
Oh wow.
I
Ready
ain't
for that
going-
weather?
I ain't going back to that weather.
No, I'm not ready for it. Not looking forward to it, but we lit.
How long you gonna?
How long am I going there?
Yeah. How long you gonna be
2
there?
weeks. 2 weeks.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, I'll be back. I'll be back the 2nd of January.
Sheesh, dude dipped on me for New Year's Eve and everything. Holy
sorry.
chat, you see that?
You know I gotta
Man
be down
ditched
there,
me
bro.
for Christmas and New Year's Eve.
No
Wow.
one was trying to ditch anyone, man.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
Damn, son.
I got some assets out there, you know?
Somewhat.
Some assets.
Oh, okay.
Oh, some assets. Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Oh,
Gotcha.
sorry. It must be the Zoom.
Oh, yeah. It must be the Zoom. Yep.
Zoom quaking, y'all.
Oh, man.
That's funny. That's funny.
Man got money and switched up. AB Mike. What's up with this dude? Made a couple
Nick,
bucks and
told
just
you.
switched up. Sheesh.
You know, Christmas in New York is nice.
All right, whatever.
Baby Mike. Fun, man.
Johnny Boy
That's
wild in here on a Monday, C4.
Hey, yo. That pronounce the word. It's all good.
He's working. He's working. As long as he can trade them candles, that's all he needs to. That's all he needs to know.
All I need to know is how to read candles when I'm chilling. What's up,
Mike.
Dominic?
Tell my wife I'm gonna teach Alea how to read. She comes in. I'm drawing candles. She's like, I thought you were gonna teach her how to read. I am. I'm teaching her how to read candles. That's it. Maverick, do we take a trade when the candle looks like this? No. Oh man.
No bottom wick equals no range. They're just like nice with it.
What's the biggest takeaway you had from Austin's podcast? Like when I was watching the pod, like early on, I think the biggest thing that I took away was that there's some professionals in the game, right? Because he gears more towards like stock traders, future traders, like option traders who actually trade on trading floors and stuff like that. So he introduced me a lot to the professionalism, of what it actually takes to win and win long term. You know what I mean? Before that, I was just kind of like trying to make a bag, trying to make some money, But then I finally realized, like, okay, there's something deeper to this, and getting good at the craft is going to be more valuable than making a couple bucks here and there. So that helped me and kind of molded me into becoming a little bit more professional in my approach to the markets. Where's Sam? Hey, Paris, he's coming. Just wait on it.
Yeah. We all got that one successful professional trader. We just take an area that he is really good in and put it into our own trading.
Yeah. Yeah, I liked him too because he talked more about like the financial side of things too, like a little bit more than just trading. We don't teach, we preach. We are the candle counters. Maverick, yeah, Maverick. Be big chillin'. All right, so 8:15. So we did close bearish here at 8:15. This candle's opening up. We're kind of testing out the support here, see whether or not we actually want to push through it or continue to reject it here. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait. 1 hour is still in a nasty consolidation here. One red candle, but yeah, Louis G. Louis G's a G for that. Please call my name. I am your fans. No, you're not my fan, Didi. Didi, you're an up-and-coming, inspiring day trader who's gonna crush it.
My man, Didi.
We full sending comics open. Yeah. Full send this thing. Yeah, can we full send comics here? We're going to be disciplined and professional traders. All right, chat. Get a full send comics here. No stop loss.
Risky.
While we're chilling, can we check out NASDAQ? Yeah, I think we already drew it out, right? Yeah, we already got our plans here for NAS 100. Buys are okay here, but they're only okay. They're not A+. You got like a 20 pip advantage point there. We are bullish on the day. 4 hour is trying to get going. Looks like we kind of got a 4 hour pack runner there. We only have 1 hour left or 40 minutes left on the 4 hour candle. So we'll see, right? We'll see if we want to break that high and move up. One thing I do know is that the buys that we're looking for are breaking the current and previous daily candle highs here, right? So if we are breaking those highs, then we'll most likely come up and fill this wick to the left. So if we can break these highs, we should be good to fill this wick. So that's kind of like what we're looking at. Candle could potentially be like flip bullish and drive up. So we'll see. We'll see if NASDAQ wants to give it to us. But if you guys do want to take your buys here, I mean, don't let me hold you back. You know, there's a 30-minute support there. So it's an okay range, but like I said, it's okay. Not the greatest. Project Toro was goody.
Gold's low-key hella choppy below.
Yeah, on the way down.
Yeah.
Honestly, it does not look the greatest until we get past 85 there.
It don't. Really don't.
Yeah, 85 brings us into a nice clean range.
Yes.
But we take sells below 92. You got a bunch of support to the left. Support, support, support. Then you got a nice clean range. We'll see. We'll see if we end up rejecting it or actually closing below here. 4 hours pretty big. So 4 hour closing a little bit too, so.
I'll let gold talk first.
Yeah, back to bearish though now. What's up, everyone? Hey, what's good?
What's up,
Nick,
Rod,
when
what's up,
is
D-Gamer?
next boot camp? Next boot camp is probably gonna be sometime in February. We actually just started talking a little bit about that over the weekend. So, and I honestly I don't know what's up with the day one file, gang. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna play it on. So I'm gonna record a Zoom, right, of the actual day one video, and I'm just gonna send you guys that Zoom recording. All right, so that should work. It's gonna be basically a recording of the recording, but it shouldn't look any different or sound any different. But that's pretty much the only solution. Otherwise, we can't figure out another way to get it over to you. So shout out to TK for the good idea there.
Yo, TK is a genius.
TK always got good ideas.
He's got a light bulb over his head at all times.
Ding, ding, ding. Have I ever
Yeah, TK.
swing trade? Yeah, I have. It was just a little too boring for me. Oh, nice. You watched the boot camp videos over the weekend? Yeah. Yeah, that was great boot. That was a really good boot camp. Especially for our first time doing it. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, we'll put another one together probably for like mid-February something. Yeah, because we got the holidays here. We got the coming of the new year. I also have a baby coming here, so there's a lot going on between now and like mid-February. So we'll run that up. We'll run it up in mid-February though, I promise. Yeah,
You don't want to miss this one because we're gonna have a session specially for Quakers, so it's gonna strengthen that muscle.
Yeah.
The quaking session is gonna be called.
Yeah.
Definitely don't want to miss it.
Boot camp was so good. Yeah, it was. Sandman, let's go. Boot camp got him tightened up.
Get you done fired up.
Yeah, plus we got a lot of new downloads this weekend, not gonna lie. I got a lot of new great ideas, great thoughts for us as traders and how to be the best traders, right? One thing we know is we have a high win rate. We know how to take quality trades. The next thing is as we move into, and we've already obviously started to do this, is manage risk better. Cut our losses shorter, right? So not only are we gonna cut our losses shorter, gang, but what I'm going to do and what you'll see me do more often now is, let's say we have a position, I don't know, let's just say we're looking at this buy right here, right? And whatever stops below here, and then looking to target a bigger move, let's say up here. So normally when we would get to this point here around, let's say 23 pips, I would close partials, right? But when do we typically take trades? We usually take trades during extremely high times of volume, right? So a lot of times, let's say the candle closes bullish and we get in and blah, blah, blah. So we get in and we close right here, right? Or right here. But this whole move is available to us. And we know that when we get in, we're going to see most likely a big candle, right? So we're going to see a bigger candle. So instead of me now closing half or 80, I'm going to be working on just moving stops to BE and taking advantage of that 30-minute candle, right? That 30-minute volume candle that we typically see. So am I talking about catching like a whole move and redoing this whole entire strategy? No. What I'm talking about is instead of closing 80% at 20 pips, start to hold it a little bit longer to the actual point in which the trade should go to. And it's nothing crazy. It'll be like maybe an extra 11 pips, maybe an extra 15 pips. Maybe it's going to be an extra 20 pips. I don't know, right? But every situation is going to be a little bit different, a little bit unique. And I'm going to work towards holding that position for the desired goal, right? So going break even and not closing anything, right? So now what we're talking about is really getting a 2-to-1 and a 3-to-1 with a high probability setup. So not only keeping our win rate as high as it is, but now getting our RR better, right? And, you know, when you have a high win rate and an RR, your trading you begin to become unstoppable as a trader, right? So, and then with that, also cutting our losses short, that should really like 3-4x our profits and our results over the next 12 months. So we'll keep working towards that and just keep getting better day in and day out.
Facts, bro. Because it's like we're anticipating the trade to go in that direction anyway. So why are we taking 80% to 90% off of the table
right
early? You know,
right.
like if we're anticipating the trade to go in that direction, and we all know honestly, 10, 20 pips can do work with your full position on the table. So yeah.
Yep. Now here's the only, in a way, it's not even a downside, but here's the only thing that may change a little bit is we may see a little bit more break-even trades. That's it. But look, I'm totally cool with risking BE for 40, 50 pips, right? Instead of closing partials at 10, 12, or whatever it is that, you know, the chart is saying, we'll just go break even at that point. Because think about it, a lot of times when we have really, really nice trades and we close partials, we have runners, and those runners never get hit at BE. So if it is a good trade, right? If it is really gonna rip, then we go BE and we just let the position rock, right? Until the real point, until the real target is tapped. So I think that's gonna help out a lot. I think that's gonna, you know, not only up our RR, but also our profitability here in 2024.
And something that really has helped me, for example, like when we go to BE, a lot of people put their BE at entry. I put mine 2 pips above entry. So that way I don't get hit with the fee, right? So like if I go to BE, I don't take a loss. It's just a small win. It's like probably like 20, maybe $30.
Yep.
Which, you know, if you get 20, or let's say, you know, 10 BEs, I mean, that's somewhat a win,
still
right?
make a little bit.
Like $400.
Yeah. Keep it at 2 pips, because that's what, you know, like all the brokers are like 1.5, 1 pip for the fee.
Yeah, for the spread. Yep.
That's a great point. Yeah,
we were talking about that too last night.
Yeah.
Just instead of getting B and taking a little bit of a loss, just make sure you're like legit B or maybe a little profit.
Yeah. Little profit can get you somewhere too. You know?
Yeah.
I always, like, for example, if I get a top 10, let's say if my entry was at, let's say 1998.50, and I was at a 51, now it's out of 51, so it's gonna, you know, 2 pips above that.
Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we may have a little bit more BE trades, but if instead of our losers now, in my case, being 2%, right? Instead of them being 2%, they could potentially be 1%, right? And instead of my winners, on the other hand, being 1%, right? Maybe we can make them 3% or 2%. So not only are you're losing less now, but we're winning more, right? And we're doing, instead of closing those 10, 12 pips. I mean, look, when the market calls for it, we're going to obviously listen to the markets by all means, right? But, you know, during these high volume times, which are most of our trades are taken, we can usually stretch it, right? We can usually get to that second point of take profit. And that's going to, you know, for the most part, be our first point of take profit moving forward. So, yeah. Yeah, and then worst case, you can also begin to trail your stops, right? So let's say we enter here, price is moving up here, you start to trail your stops, right? Okay, I'll put my stops 20 pips in profit now, right? Price moves up, all right, I'm gonna put them 30 pips, 40 pips, right? And just keep trailing it up. So yeah, it should be good. Should be good improvements. Yep, all good stuff coming. Yeah, that's how you pass a challenge in a week. Right?
Hold that trade.
All right, what are we doing here? No top wick yet. for 8:30. 1 hour is still in this nasty zone, still rejecting the support level here. 4 hours flipping bullish, bearish, so we just gotta wait.
The nasty zone.
Yeah. Here's another thing too that I used to do, and I may also, you know, maybe do it again too, and that's you guys ever notice how we get into a trade sometimes and like we get in and then it pulls back and that was it. It just literally tapped us in and moved back, right? Those are the worst. So one thing I was looking at, and I've done this in the past before, is on the original trade, right? So let's say you get a trade and let's say we're looking for sells below here and candle closes very nicely and candle makes a top wick and we enter the trade, right? We enter the trade, but then price starts pushing back on us. So what I was thinking about here is deploying 1%, right, or 0.5% on that first entry. And if it runs, awesome. You know, we're in there with a 1% risk. But if it doesn't, right, and it decides to tap us in like those trades do and pull back and tap us out right away, then we only lost 1%. But if it does decide to come back up, maybe give it a steeper top wick like we see sometimes, right, where price gives us a little bit of a steeper top wick, and then it comes down and re-breaks the low, that's when you can deploy that second 2%, right? So you add 1%, right? And now you've got 2% in on this trade for a really nice trade to happen. And if we get tapped in on the original trade and it does stop us out, at least we only lose 1%, and we could probably manage that too, right? So instead of normally risking 2%, we could now risk 1%, and if price does go against us, we have a plan to manage it, which could probably lead to maybe like a 0.5% loss. So these are just ways to manage risk and ideas that we'll most likely test here in the markets. Yeah, the only thing is if it runs right away, it's good. We win a trade, but then you only have half your risk on. So those are just ideas, right? Just ideas. Yeah, it's true. Got to trade. Yep. What up? Got to trade. Yeah, because a lot of our losses tend to be we get tapped in and then price pulls back. So why deploy the full amount of risk on that one move, right? Maybe give it half. So these are just ideas and things that we'll most likely test out. Dynamic risk, yeah, if that's what you want to call it. Yep. Why is gold moving so slow? Simple, we're in a range. We're just ranging here. What broker do I use? I use a ACAP. Got a weird question. Why do I tend to like catching sells more than buys? Sometimes I'm like that too. Yeah. How many guys like buys better than sells better than buys, or some of you guys don't care, right? Yeah, I don't really care too much anymore. I think I like sells maybe a smidge bit better. Just a smidge.
Yeah, I don't know. I know what you mean though, Sam, man.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, it's like the gravitational pull
more
on
fun
sells.
selling.
Yeah. Does fib levels work? Yeah, they work. Yo, what up, Landon? Good to see you, bro. How you making out on that
Landon?
cow?
Got a trade? What up? Got a trade? My man, Landon. Landon, you cooking those 4 patties today? Those look mad good, bro.
Sells over. Yeah, you have a better win rate with sells, Peter. Yeah, I'm gonna be using TradeZella pretty soon. I'm gonna try and see if I can get some sort of relationship going with the owner, and maybe we could all get like some sort of like discounted journal price. Like if you guys wanted to use it too, I'm sure we could probably get something like that going.
TradeZella for 2024, man.
Yeah, man, because TradeZella's sick. Sick.
Hell yeah. Tracks all your journals, all your trades.
Yeah, it even like shows you like the trade that you got on. You could like replay and stuff.
I know, bro. I was
Sick,
mine. Someone was walking me through the back, like the portal of it, the back end and everything. I was like, yo, this is sick.
Not for real.
So yeah, I'm gonna be using them here. We're also gonna use the journal, obviously that we have. But yeah, I'm gonna be using them, connect them to my MT5. Yeah, they got a sick portal back there. Damn, man, these dang kids. No wonder my ears are hurting. They tighten my headphones here.
I don't even, how do they even do that?
Dude. The great mystery. Yeah, it's true, Project Toro. Oh my God, we lose in trading? I'm out of here. It's like, come on, bro. What'd you expect?
Part of the game, bro.
Go back to Call of Duty, little homie.
Go back to work.
Oh yeah, you know what? You are right. My ring light is off. Let me turn it on. Yeah, something seems off. Yeah, Mondays I like to just settle in. Yeah, let me turn the light on for you guys. One sec.
Dark mode. Dark mode.
Dark mode. Dark mode.
That's dope. Yeah, TradeZella is sick. That was sick. Right, AB Mike? Quakes and trading, Quakes in Call of Duty.
She's just a Quaker, man.
Yeah, it's regular Quaker in
It's
life.
middle name.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. If you're a Quaker, you got that as your middle name now. Breathe air. Yeah, that sounds hilarious. You get that oxygen to the brain. Get some clarity.
Quakers get dealt with here, though. Quakers get dealt with.
They turn into
kindness. We deal with them with kindness and logic, and they just are like, oh, okay, yeah, you're right.
Gotta treat everyone with kindness.
Even the Quakers need love too.
Don't treat anyone different.
We're handing inhalers out. Goldwick in the house. Yo.
It was a good Project Taro. Hey, you think I got a man bun on? That's funny. That's funny. Yo, is my hair getting a little long? My hair grows quick.
Yeah. How do you feel if you go a day without making any money or profit? If I was working a 9-to-5 job, I'd be extremely upset. But as an entrepreneur, that's just part of the game. Oh, GJ working here. Yeah, there you go. Working on support now. So you obviously need a bullish close, and that should take you up. New 4 hour is going to need to open up here and all that good stuff. So, yeah. GJ may be well on its way here. Yeah, you want to see this 4 hour pullback, which it's doing with these 3 last 30-minute candles. Then maybe one more, right, with like an exhaustion wick. And then that'll be your 4 hour bottom wick here being formed. Then you get a closure back above here, right? You got your 4 hour pullback. You got your new 4 hour bottom wick, and then you should be good to drive. To the moon, GJ. It's a falling wedge on the 15-minute time frame. Nice. Falling wedge. Spamming is disrespectful to your fellow chat members. Please don't spam. AB Mike.
Ooh.
All right, yeah, we're still knocking at the door here. Gold. Is there a fair value gap from 91 to 87? I have no idea. I honestly don't know what a fair value gap is. Who are you going with? Oh, I'm not going to the upcoming UFC event. Why? Is that in Tampa? Yeah, I'm probably going to watch it, though.
Oh, yeah.
Covington and Edwards. Yeah, that's going to be a great fight.
Yeah.
Where's Sam Nick? I don't know. I'm right here with you guys. I'm right here with y'all. We here. We here. How do you find magic keys? I have a link. You can hit the link. Just drop it down here in the YouTube, and then you can find it there. Yeah, I'm about to order a new magic keys just for a backup because it's 30% off right now. And you know, I'm always looking for a deal. Yeah, so 30% off. Just gonna have it just in case Maverick like launches my other one or something.
Sam is having a meeting with JP today.
JP. What do you guys got? Edwards or Covington? That's a tough fight there. Who am I rooting for? I like them both, honestly. But them going against each other, I don't know. I just want to see two champions do what they do best. Just that's it.
Professionals.
Yeah, I like both them guys. It's gonna be hard to knock Covington out, to be honest. We got some UFCers in the house, though. I think it's Saturday, right? This Saturday coming up. All right, 4-hour close coming up here in about 10 minutes, so we'll see what happens here on this closure. There's Sam Capital. Hey, chat, there's Sam. I will come on Zoom tomorrow. There you go. Boom. You think Sam wants to come on the stream today with no red folders? Come on. I'm new to Forex. Been trading stocks. Oh, nice. Welcome, Billy Boob. Billy Boob. Not Billy Bob. Sam, you are a superstar out here. Everyone's like, where's Sam? Where's Sam? Sam, the red folder capital. Oh, I hope you're feeling better, Sam. What up, Pete the G? Oh, yes, sir. Sam's cooking. Amen. Yeah, thanks for praying for Sam, gang. Look at that. It feels amazing. Feel better than before he was sick. Sounds about right. Sounds about right.
Let's go. Oi, oi.
Progress.
Oi.
Yeah, Sam, I'll be praying for you.
Let's go, Sam. Good stuff. Always in the chat. Pete the G is here. What's good, Pete the G? How you feeling today? Feeling like a G? All right, so we're going to see what happens here. 4 hours coming to a close. 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, all that good stuff. Daily candle is still below the lows here. So, again, we do have 1990 here, this support level that we're tapping into. So it could get a bit choppy down here once we, finally reach target. So we'll see. We'll see. See how this candle closes. If this candle closes above support, gang, most likely you'll see price move up here. Yeah, nasty consolidation on the 1 hour. So yeah, we're just chilling. Same price really hasn't done much since we opened up the live stream here. Just chopping back and forth. Remember my nasty fever on Friday? I kid you not. After the stream, I laid down, took a 3-hour nap, woke up, gone. Let's go. Yo, that fever was gone, bro. Yes, sir.
That's good.
That's great. Say bye-bye. Hey, by the way, gang, if you're not in our free Discord, you can join our free Discord. And if you're not subbed to this YouTube channel, what you doing? What you doing, man? Give yourself a Christmas gift and a New Year's gift and sub to the channel and make a commitment. Make a commitment that in 2024 is going to be the year that you quit the BS. It's going to be the year that you finally start to be consistent. You have a live stream to plug into here that can help you, that can give you a track to run on, and not only a track to run on, but a track that equals a shortcut. It's very difficult to do this thing on your own, right? When you're trading, and it can be very, very lonely. So make a commitment, right? Sub to the channel. Let that be your commitment that I'm going to be here, for the next 6 to 8 months, and I'm going to lock in on my trading and take my trading to the next level. And I'm very confident that you will do that.
There, go all in.
Yeah. And give the stream a like if you can. Don't give me too much. Just want one like. Just a like. Yeah, let
2024 gonna be a big year.
Yeah, let it be the biggest year of your life. Like, really. You know, look back on this year and go, when did I fall off? When did I fall off the bandwagon, right? When did I fall off the wagon here? Because it's okay to fall off, right? You set a goal, and let's say you were consistent for 6 months, but you know what? The second half of the year, you know, your things happen at your house and your family and this and that, and you kind of fell off, right? Here's the one thing that the champions will do that separates them is they will not let anything let them fall off, right? They'll just remain steady day in and day out. Obviously, they're going to have those things that happen to them throughout the year, just as you did, right? But champions just stay steady. They stay steadfast in their movement. So it's okay, right, that you fell off. Figure out why, and now you're prepared for that as you come into the new year, right? And you know, think about it. Think about some of the goals that you set early on in the year. If you would have stayed consistent, you would have hit them.
Literally.
You know what I mean? So it's not that hard. You just got to stay consistent. Consistency is the hard part. But the goal getting done is, once you write it down, it's already done. But it's going to rely on you being consistent. Oh, let's see. We're moving downtown here. Let's see, we wicked in this area once before. I like this, liked and liked again. Thank you. Yeah, it's okay too to fall off for a day. One of my rules though is just don't go 2 days in a row. You know, we're human, so we're obviously gonna, you know, fall off here and there, or maybe something happens, right? You gotta switch the plan up, but try not to do it 2 days in a row. Because when you do it 2 days in a row, it gets so much easier to do it on that third day. And then when that third day comes, that's typically a Wednesday, and you're like, yeah, you know what, I'll just wait till Monday next week. Yeah, don't let it happen. Just so you know, everyone's doing that. But the winners, the champions, they're the ones that aren't, right? That's what my mentor told me. Hey, look at the masses and do the opposite, right? The masses are setting goals, right? They are excited about their goals. They are pumped in month 1, month 2, month 3. But what about month 4 and 5 and 6? You know, when the results aren't quite there yet, can you keep going, right? When life starts to kind of pull at you a little bit, can you keep going, right? That's when most will fall off. But that's when it's your job to press on the gas even harder. Yep.
Not for real.
All right, 4 hour coming to a close. Let's see. Tiny, can you please review my chart in Discord? Oh yeah, let's take a look. Take a look. If you guys want us to take a look at any charts, just put them in the charts for stream on the Discord channel. Open them up and take a look here. All right, let's see what we got. So, previous daily candle closed bearish, right? 4 hour breakout confirmation for sell. Price form resistance. Perfect. Form resistance, but waited for NY open. Could have took sells below the low. Yes. I didn't take this trade because NY open, didn't get a decent top wick. My doubt is why you're not interested in taking these entries. Yeah, great question. Go to the 1 hour time frame. So you'll see why. So if you look at the 1 hour, you'll see why I wasn't too excited about this. After a big move consolidating like that on the 1 hour time frame, I'd rather just wait for that 1 hour to make a decision. Otherwise, notice how we went up, we went down, we went up, we went down. This candle went all the way down, back up. So it does look pretty decent on the 30 minute, but the 1 hour was super chopped. Right, 1 hour was looking nasty here. So that's why I didn't take any trades there. Yeah. If you took it though, good job, you know. 30-minute time frame. If that's all you were looking at, that was a good plan, right? To break at the lows, to retest support there. What was that? That was a 20 pip move. Yeah. GJ trying to work on a support here. So if this 30-minute candle closes bullish, you've got a support, right? If it would be better, it would be best if it closes bearish and then one more bearish candle down, because you still need a bottom wick on the 4 hour coming up, right? So candle closes bearish now, opens up, one more bearish candle. What that bearish candle will do is that'll give you a bottom wick here for the new 4 hour, and then probably a wick fill in a little bit. Yeah. But we'll see. Maybe we make support here. Yeah, see, gold knocking at the door here. Just no one's home. What's your opinion on zero commissions but bigger spread? And low spread but with commissions. I personally, the style that we trade, I'd rather pay a little bit more in commissions and get a better entry, right? So I want to make sure my spreads are super low. If you're like an intraday trader or a swing trader, then you don't care about spreads too much, right? Because you're just going to enter on any candle here and you have an overall direction that you want to move in. So the spread really doesn't make a difference. That would be more so you'd rather have less commissions, right? Because you're paying to play. So with the way we trade is I'd rather pay a little bit more to play, but get the entry point I want. So I want low spreads and maybe higher commissions. Wow, that guitar just went ham. Y'all missed that? My guy was going so hard there. Yeah, that's true, Landon. Yeah, because it feels good to talk about it, you know? I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do that, and, you know, we're going to have this, I'm going to blow that, and life's going to be awesome, but much easier to talk about it than to do it, you know? You talk the talk, but you got to walk the walk. Yeah, GJ. But hey, it starts by talking, right? It starts by talking, and then as you start talking, hopefully your feet get to walking. Yeah, rejection here. So no closure below. 30 seconds left. 1 hour still in this consolidation. 4 hour is going to potentially close bullish here, chat. So let's see. 19 seconds.
Having trouble in that range.
Yeah, this has been this range here is causing gold some trouble right here. All right, if we look at that, it's probably the consolidation range right in there. So okay, so we did close bullish. So we did close bull on the 4 hour chart right in this area of support, right? Got a lot of support here. And, you know, for all we know, price could continue up now. So we have our plan for buys. We're still open to that plan. And I think if you can create support, right, come down a little bit, create create a support down here, then buys will be pretty decent on the way back up, or we just got to wait for a closure above 2000 here. Yeah, because we need a bottom wick now, right? So if we can get a bearish candle to give us a bottom wick like this, and then we form support, kind of like we're looking for on pound yen, then this is most likely going to be our opportunity to get in buys here. This area will be break even. This will probably be somewhat of a partial, and see if we can get it to run. So we'll see if everything plays out the way we want it to, and if it does, then we're in there. Don't tell everyone your goals. Yeah, that's big. Yeah, don't really tell anyone.
Great.
Thank you. I'm taking notes on the live stream. 8 months. Yeah, I see you, AJ. Proud of you, bro. Always got good questions. Always got good charts. You're learning, man. You really are. Lots of improvements. Yeah, 15-minute created nice support there too, right where that other support was formed. So yeah, this was a hard 1992 here. Was very difficult for gold to move through here. Yeah, we see a lot of rejections here. Boom, 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 boom. So look, if you actually do close below, then you should have a run down, right? If all these candles were unable to do that, then you should run down and smoke those supports to the left and drive, right? But being that we do have the rejections, I could also see us forming support to move up. So either way, we're covered. We're prepared for both moves here. Is this the last week of the streams? No, we're gonna go one more week. I think so, right? One more week?
Yeah, one more week.
Yeah. Yeah, so we'll wrap this year up on the 22nd. Yeah, I can't go 4 weeks without y'all. Come on. That'd be tough. 1, 2, yeah, we're already going like 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah.
Everyone's gonna be off schedule a little bit.
Oopty.
With the live stream. I mean, I'm talking about the live stream.
Yeah. What y'all doing for the holiday? Anything good? Anything good, chat? I think that will be the day, Landon. I think I'll stop trading on the 22nd there, because then you have the week of Christmas coming up. So I think I'm gonna be traveling that whole week anyway. I don't think I'll be home, so I'll probably be done on the 22nd, just like the streams, and then I may start to pick things back up.
A week after New Year's.
Yeah, I mean, I think I'm just gonna shut my whole trading down too. Same as the stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll be gone. We'll be done for like 2 weeks, and then we'll reboot. Yeah, I don't think I will take many trades off stream. No. I mean, I'm gonna look at the market. It's like I'm not gonna say no. I'm gonna probably view the markets after New Year's, but I don't know if we'll take any trades.
Yeah, I say that's like the only homework, right? So you just break down your charts, work on your top-down analysis, stuff like that.
Yeah. I'm new here. Hey, welcome, welcome. Oh, nice. Nice, nice. Give me some money, pro. Hey, thanks for calling me a pro. Oh, nice. Cool, cool. So yeah, one more tap here and then like a support would be great. If not, then 4-hour May break lows here and drive. So we're going to see how that looks on the 15, 30-minute time frames. We'll see what happens here. Yeah, safe travels for all you guys traveling and stuff for the holidays.
Thanks.
You going to be doing any holiday specials? Holiday specials! I'm feeling merry. Gonna travel to 3 countries? Hey, nice.
That sounds fun, man. It's the holiday season.
It's the holiday season. Rafi's stuck in a gold vault.
Always. Always.
Rafi, you back home, right?
No, not yet. I'm still here, and home for me is Bali. So,
Yeah.
no, I'm still here in the US.
Okay, got you.
I'll be here for like, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna be here for 1, 2, 3.5 more, yeah, like 4 weeks. 4 more weeks.
For real? Okay, nice, man. Yeah. Fun. You're chilling, bro.
You know what's crazy though? Like, it's like, I was talking to my wife about that, man. It's so crazy. Like, so many options here. Like, if you go to, you know, Whole Foods or Target or whatever, you get so many options. You don't get that in Bali. You know, it's like you're very limited to what you can eat and stuff, which in a way it's kind of good.
Yeah.
In a way, it's just kind of like, you know what I'm saying? But it's just like you get so many options, so many gluten-free options here, you know, also, you know, all this healthy stuff.
A lot more things.
Yeah. You know what I was kind of like surprised? Like, I went to Target, bro. All the mannequins are bigger. I was like, wait a second, what's happening here?
Injectocito, bro.
Yeah, I was like, what?
What you know about them American fruits, bro? You don't know about that American fruit.
Damn.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo,
no,
what's up with these melons, bro?
I was like, whoa.
Nah, definitely a lot more options.
Are we normalizing? Are we normalizing this here? Or what? A subconscious level?
I feel you, dude. I don't know what the hell.
Your boy about to be out. TT compound in like Costa Rica.
Dude, I'm getting Private Island. Do you feel a difference?
Fruits on steroids.
Like, between the foods? Think, Rafi?
Yeah, bro. 100%. 100%. Yeah, the food, the water, it's completely different, man.
Yeah, it's kind of scary.
Yeah. Yeah, and you don't notice that until you leave for a while. Because, I mean, if you go, you know, to another place for 2 weeks and you come back, your taste buds don't change. But I've been gone for almost 3 years, you know what I'm saying? And I've had a really strict routine lifestyle, you know? So, like, when you come back here and you get yourself exposed to 300 different kinds of cheese. Like, yo, like I went to, there's a store.
Dude's got flavored cheese in America.
Bro,
strawberry
like,
cheese? Oh, dude. You want banana
many,
cheese?
You know what I'm saying? So it's like,
No, for real.
Yo, I be getting confused in the store.
man.
My wife telling me to go grab something. I go grab it. She's like, yo, what's this? Raspberry butter? I'm like, I didn't even know they flavored the butter at this. Like, what?
Yo, for real.
So, yeah, man, you got to be careful.
For real.
yeah.
It's like, yo, just give me some regular
it's-
butter. Thank you very much.
Yo, for real, bro.
Dude's got flavors on everything now.
It's
I
kind of crazy.
saw, yeah, it's sick. I saw this Gatorade now that is Gatorlight. It has like, it's like this thing when you're sick. You know what I'm saying? Like you drink it and it kind of like hydrates you. You know what I'm talking about? Pedialyte.
Oh,
You know what I'm
yeah,
talking about?
Pedialyte?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, Pedialyte. So now they mixed it up and it's called Gatorlight. And I looked and it has like 40% sugar. I'm like, yo, sugar dehydrates you. What are you talking about? But I'm just like, I'm not gonna talk about that. I'm just gonna put it back in there.
Just put it right back
Yo.
down.
For real, right? It doesn't make any sense. It's crazy. They're screwing us.
Bro, if you go to a place, you know, like, yo, I've always been obsessed with the Asian culture, you know, but now being like in Asia for so long, bro, like you can see like how diet can affect your mental state, how your body feels after, you know, based out of what you eat. It's insane, bro. Like your thinking patterns and kind of decisions that you make and how you feel, how you sleep. It's, yeah, it's
For real.
everything.
Crazy.
It's crazy.
All right, what we're gonna do here. So we're approaching 9:15 here. See what we got going on. Bunch of consolidation. We have heavy news coming in this week.
Why it's slow as hell. There's
Heavy
like no
news.
news today.
We've
First
got,
time forever.
yeah, man, we've got a sea of red folders here all week long. All week long. Got CPI coming in tomorrow. We got PPI Wednesday and FOMC coming in. By the way, we'll be doing 2 streams on Wednesday, gang. So the 13th, we'll have a stream for NY session, and then we'll have a second stream here for the press conference around 2. And then, yeah, Thursday, obviously unemployment claims, retail sales. Yeah, we got a lot of news. A lot of news this week.
Lovely.
Today's our only day in the clear.
Sheesh.
Da, da, da. They don't want to see you win. Butter's butter in Pakistan? Yeah. It's like watching paint dry.
Here's
Yeah,
made
that's true.
strawberry butter.
The what?
They got like strawberry butter nowadays.
Dude said raspberry butter. Now I gotta go back to the store. Gotta waste my time.
I feel bad for the person who was just trying to get butter and ended up getting strawberry butter and noticing at home. Yo.
Nah.
Your money is so much in my country? What country is that? Maybe I'll buy a house there and move and live, be your neighbor.
That's it, bro. That's all I want to do.
It's mad cold here for no reason. Damn, supposed to have snow. Oh, snow's coming in. Breathe air, buddy. How you doing? My guy. Yo, we got Moose the left hook and Moose the right hook coming too. Shout out to Moose the Jab. Moose the Jab is having children. About to be Moose the left hook,
Yeah.
Moose the right hook.
That's funny.
Oh, Cuba? I was in the butter.
Damn, that's hilarious.
Wow.
Skip in the winters of
Yeah, it is. Damn, yeah, Europe has a lot of products in America are like banned in like Europe. Scary.
But also the size, man. Like if you go to a gas station or even you go to like Cheesecake Factory or anything like that, bro, like the portions are massive. Like the drinks are this big. Like everything's so big, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It just
Yeah, no, I was there last night.
it's just like you eat more, you know. You eat more calories.
Yeah.
Literally, portions are insane. You can go to any ice cream shop in America and get a freaking cup the size of my head of ice cream. It's
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah, like we went to Cheesecake Factory because my mom loves that place, so we went there. And I ordered this like Cobb salad. You know, I wasn't very hungry, so I like ordered something just to eat. And they didn't bring mine, but they brought Courtney, so she ordered the same thing. Bro, we shared the salad. I didn't finish it. She didn't finish it, and there were some leftovers.
Damn.
It was massive.
Yes.
Like
Portions are
like
insane.
a salad for 2 people, bro. For 2 people.
You don't even want to move after that.
No, I know
Facts.
Cheesecake Factory. I know how they be too. Big
Yo.
portions down. And then the stuff they cook with, oh my gosh. That'll make you even
Yeah,
feel more.
don't even get me. Yo, every time I eat that place, I just go into some sort of like food coma. Like I just
Yeah,
feel
right.
like lethargic. I can't really move. I just want to go to sleep. No, that's not good.
Facts. Like when do you feel like terrible after eating a steak? Like, you know, like
When it's
in a
loaded,
restaurant.
when it's cooked
Yeah.
in seed oils.
Like exactly. Shouldn't be feeling like that.
You want the American portion? They have a look at you and they're like, yeah, this guy probably wants the American portion. Yeah, so this is the 4-hour low here. So as long as we respect the low, at any point this 4-hour candle can break the high and drive up. So we close support right at this level of support here. You have some wicks that have come down in here before but never closed, right? So this candle, as long as the low here respects this previous low, at any point it could break the high and drive up. So right now it's creating a bottom wick for price to continue move up. If that happens to change, you'll break that low, and then we should get a closure on the 30-minute time frame. All right, bearish closure below. So that's what we're waiting on here. If not, then we may want to pull up and flip on the 4-hour to drive up here. So this low is pretty big. Pretty big low. TK. It's to try and justify why they're so... Yeah, the chart, yo. The prices are crazy, man. Crazy, crazy. I used to spend
for
20
real.
bucks on breakfast. Now it's like 70. It's like, what?
Especially if you got a fam.
Oh, yeah. I forgot. We added those other 2 people.
Nah, but it's crazy.
Forgot we added those other 2 little humans, those people to our family. And they're hungry,
That's
man.
funny.
They hungry. All right. Coming down to that low here. About to get kicked out of school. Oh.
Or what?
Yeah. Yeah, I've been there. Yeah, don't quit. Just finish up and family of four is like 100. Go to the restaurant, man. Everything just tripled. GJ dropping, gold dropping?
bro,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Someone's lying here. Who is it? GJ or gold?
Yeah, Miko, just try to get through it. Positive mindset.
Just know your parents want the best for you.
Yeah,
They may not know the best for you, but they want the best for you.
exactly.
Need a closure back above support to take buys? Yes. Yeah, because the daily is bearish here. Yep. We just took out the 4-hour low there too. So we filled that wick, took out the 4-hour low, and we got 8 minutes for NYSE open here. Need a Yo, it is more like LA now. Everything's so pricey. Gonna need like 3 jobs and a side gig. Or you just get disciplined on the charts, and that'll solve everything. Choice is yours.
Or set up a plan to dominate and follow the plan.
Why we don't go short now? I want to wait here. So there's 7 minutes left for the 30-minute candle to close. We got NYSE coming up. This candle may very well close with no bottom wick, so we want to see what happens here on this 30-minute closure. Sells, because we're not in sells yet because number one, it's very choppy below here, and the 4-hour also closed bullish right at that level of support. So we got to be careful with these sells. How come it's not? Why is it important to focus on multiple time frames? Because kind of like we were talking about now, like the 4-hour is still bullish, right? We closed bullish on the 4-hour, but now we're breaking the lows here. So if we're breaking the lows, you know, then what does that look like on the daily? Well, the daily filled the wick. So will it continue driving, or will it just do a wick fill and now pull back for this 4-hour to actually flip bullish, right? Because the 30-minute as well has a lot of support here. So I've held off on taking these sells due to all this support. The cleanest sells of the day are going to be below 85 here. All right, other than that, you're running into all this support to the left. Now, we do know that volume will drive us through that support, but technically this isn't the volume candle here, right? The volume candle is going to be the next 30-minute candle. So I'd rather sit tight and wait for that. Yeah, and we also have a lot of news coming in tomorrow, right? So all throughout the week. So a lot of times price will set up and just range and, you know, all that stuff. So
Yep. BTP. Time to be patient. Let's get it.
Yeah, there. Yeah, we
Nothing
know
new.
that. We know our target for the daily was 1992 here. We're tapping into that now, so we may start pulling back from here. Yeah, remember we talked about 1990? Once we got this candle to close last week, we began to talk about this 1990 support. And as you see, I think this was what, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. No, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and this is Monday now, right? So tapping into that support there. So finally tapped it. And we'll see what we do at it. So 1 hour is pulling back a bit now, and may close back in the range. We'll see. Who's your mentor? Mr. V. Mr. V.
Yo, chat. How many push-ups there went up today?
I'm slacking today. I'm
Let
slacking.
me know. Oh yeah.
I'll catch up. Don't worry.
You will. I believe in you. $220. Let's get it. Good stuff, brother. Time to do more.
Wow, 220. Let's go, Project Toro. Man's chest is on fire.
Beast.
Mr. Autumn. Man, that's probably the most random comment I ever seen. Yeah.
Mr. Autumn,
Can you
right?
give me advice about GFS flooring? No. That's probably the most since February of live streaming, that's probably the most random question I ever heard. Wow.
It's actually true.
Oh, YOLO Trader up 60 on the push-ups. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I should get to.
YOLO Trader.
Yeah, YOLO. Let's go.
Hey, Purpose Slime. I try to do like 200 a day. Yeah.
Those are rookie numbers.
I think I'm up one. I think I'm up like 120 right now.
Yeah, I banged out 50 before the stream, and I haven't touched one since. Sorry, I've been distracted up here. I've been busy today. Busy day on the job. Is that an excuse? Land.
All good. Yeah, if you got a pull-up bar, time to do some pull-ups. Let's go.
My man did half a push-up.
Did 1,000. That's savage.
All right, let's go ahead and see where the support is. Yeah, this is probably the strongest area right here. 1990, 550. Let's see how we do here. Half a push-up. Oh yeah, that's actually smart. Use the grip strengther. It's a good idea.
Not a bad idea.
Not a bad idea. Damn, we're gonna close right at support here. Yeah, I'm telling you, you may have a 4-hour pack runner here. Let's see how we start driving. We're opening up with no top wick. Let's see the 15. 15. Yeah, 15 closed right at that support too, man. Oh. Yep. Yeah, I think if this 15 closes back above the range, you may be in for a 945 blast off. I don't think it'll do much though, I'll be honest. I think it might blast off and then that's probably pull back. Like one of these candles. Drove and then kind of pulled back. So we'll see here. Yeah, charts are choppy here.
Felt it.
Yeah, just look to what we're trading into here. Look at all that support. Look at all this choppiness here. Not the hottest. Not the hottest.
You're a FOMO. You don't want to force any trades, right? You want to just listen to the markets.
Just breathe.
Just breathe.
Now's a good time to do push-ups.
Right.
Yeah, 930.
I don't like these though. This is 50-50.
Yeah. It's not the best. It's not A+, I'll tell you that.
I don't like 50-50s.
Yeah, if these are your sells, take them, but these are not the best. There's too much traffic, choppy traffic to the left here, where it's going to be very difficult for price to break through there. So not really my trade. My trader is below 85 here. Yeah, it's clean traffic down here. YOLO. Yeah, exactly. I'll be right back.
YOLO. These are your sells. That's cool. Make sure you follow your plan today, right? Yeah, they're not A+. SG80, yeah, you could definitely say that, man. But this trade, if you're following this strategy, right, this becomes a 50-50, right? Of course, we could drive through it with volume, but you know, it's that feeling after. If it doesn't go in your favor, that feeling after, you're like, I literally just ignored everything the charts were saying to me to the left. And I mean, if this is your trade, right, you should be in it. But these aren't my pips. You know, I've seen these over time, these type of trades, and they're 50-50s. I want to make sure if trading's a probability game, I want to make sure the probabilities are in my favor. Been in a sell since the open. Nice. Yeah. how to start a funded account. Well, you go on a funded company's website, you know, look at their reviews, look at what they offer, and invest, or invest in your personal capital. But if you want to do funded, yeah, you just go on a funded company and invest. Yeah, I mean, if you lock in the strategy, man, you're gonna be able to grow an account, right? Whether it's funded, personal, right? We're focusing on growing accounts here, and yeah, man, you lock it in with the strategy, you will. Right? If you're fairly new, man, just watch the live streams and just get familiar with everything we're saying, we're talking about, the patterns, you know, and learn along the way. And you will grow you will grow this account by locking it in the strategy. Gotta lock it in though. Hey, good morning, Dolphi. What's up? Trying to pull back now.
What up, Dolphy? Good morning, brother. Oh, look at this. GJ might be a fake out back into the range here. Let's see.
Been waiting on that.
Let's wait on it.
Sounds like a plan, Project Zero. I like it.
All right. Yeah, we'll see what's going to happen here. Still driving, right? Yeah. Volume, volume, volume. Will we break through supports or what? All right. So yeah, 4 hour is breaking the lows there. We are coming into support. We do have this nasty consolidation. The 1 hour still is not closed below, right? So the 1 hour is still open, has not closed below the range just yet. We drove on the last candle as well, where we failed to close below. Same thing with this 1 hour candle here. So right now these sells are selling into a lot of support. So I'm not going to touch those. I guess we'll wait. We got 5 minutes for a 15 candle closure, and we'll see what the deal is with that. Yeah. What up, LeGrand? What's good? What's Gucci? Oh, we got some more desk setups here. Nice. Oh, yo, this one's actually sick. This a port. Oh, is this in your truck? Yo, That's fire. Yo, that's sick. Nice, man. That's nice. I like this. Yeah, it looks like you're in the truck. Got some Pringles, eh? Yeah, them road snacks right there. Those are some snacks on the road. Hey, MT5 up. Man, chill.
Yeah, I've seen that. The phone over there.
Let's go.
That's awesome.
All right. I
That's
dig
a
it.
setup.
Who's commenting on the chat? What we got?
Damn, I love that.
Can't see.
Shout out to whoever that is.
Yeah,
That's
pretty
sick.
dope. Yeah, nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, you got to do what you got to do, man, on the road here. That's awesome.
No excuses.
0.
When there's a will, there's a way. Let's go.
Hey, oh, okay. We out here in the garden, baby. We got life everywhere. Oh, nice. Where is this? Oh, Magic Keys. Dope. Okay. Freightliner. Oh, yeah. Travis knows about them big rigs. The big rig. Yeah. Nice. Oh, AB Mike. Oh, that's AB Mike's setup here today. Nice. Oh, would you look at this, chat? Oh, yeah, here's my setup, chat.
Headquarters.
This is the HQ. This is the TTHQ. Yeah. Nice. Oh. Hey. Yeah, W. Fire. Love. Yeah, if you guys got some nice desk setup, show us where you at. Yeah, I like that truck driver one, man. That's sick. You better. You looking at everything? Yeah, yo, hide your Pringles when you post them desk setups. Best setup so far is the one in the truck? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Where you headed? Don't talk to me. Why can't I open TradingView? I don't know, bro. I don't know.
IDK.
You don't know. Oh yeah, let's take a look at NAS actually. Oh yeah, look at this. Yeah, so a 15-minute close here on NAS is probably something I'd be open to sample sizing here. So taking a buy, if this candle closes above, taking a buy to 16160 there. Yeah, NAS is coming into play here in like 2 weeks.
Yeah,
Oh,
this.
delivering in Jacksonville. Hey, come say hello in Tampa. What you got in the truck? Anything good?
Dios.
What you got in that truck? All right, yeah, so keep an eye there on NASDAQ. 15-minute looks good to continue up. Let's go ahead and see how gold is going to close here. Gold looks like it's going to close bearish here on the 15. 30 minutes still open. 1 hour is still open. So, yeah. Not the best here, man. Let's mark that closure.
Really
Let's see where that is. Yeah, I don't like these sells here. I'm going to wait for 85. Yeah, if we wait for 85, it's going to be the cleanest range of the day. And you also may get a new resistance to form, right? Because that's one thing that we don't have right now. So you never know, right? You get a push down here. We let this trade roll, and then price gives you some sort of a close back, bullish closure, and a new resistance, and then we close below 85 here, right? And that's when I'll be looking to take my sells. Nice clean move coming down. Right, hindsight's 2020. We could look at this move after it happened in from 85 to 90 and say, "Oh, clean move," right? But again, hindsight's 2020, right? We want to trade in this clean range below, right? So if we can get a new resistance and a candle closing below, then we take our sells, right? That's going to make the best sense for us. Other than that, we're just selling into a bunch of support, which is downright stupid. But yeah.
I agree, bro. 100%.
GJ breakout. Zone's choppy for sells on gold. Yeah, I think so. 30-minute candle. Let's go. Oh, bro. Thank you. Thank you so much for the dono. Thanks for everything since August. Oh, my pleasure, man. Yeah, happy you're learning. Happy you're growing. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, you didn't have to do that, man. Just bring me some of the food that's in that truck. Or whatever you got in that truck. I'll take it.
W.
Oh, GJ did not close bullish yet. So this 30 is going to close up here in 12 minutes. We almost closed bullish back in the range. It was looking like that, but we did not do that. So yeah, just got to wait now. Gold, I'll be honest, it's sketchy. This is sketchy right here. I feel like we're going to come back up, man. I just got this weird feeling.
Yeah, you don't want to trade when you got weird feelings.
Yeah, GJ, we're waiting. But gold, man, gold 1 hour has not closed yet. So this 1 hour candle that you're looking at could easily pull all the way back and close back above the support, right? So we don't want that to happen. Yeah, it's either closures below 85 or closures back above 90. I got a feeling. Why are you trying to denounce that? Why are you trying to denounce so hard the obvious 30-minute closure below during such high time of volume? We're at. What's the support level at? What's the number?
50-50s.
Let me see here. So on the 30-minute time frame, what do you mean? This is the most obvious support right here. 1990, 550. Support, 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 support. Tapped in. Which one are you talking about? And then right below there, support and support and support. So yeah, nah, I wouldn't have taken that. Which price point are you talking about? 92.13. 92.13. 92. Oh, this one right here? Oh yeah, yeah. Nah, there's another one right here. Yeah, this is all support level here.
Shocked.
Yeah. Yeah, another support right here. That's a what? 13 pip range? Not worth it for me. It's not worth it.
Yeah.
You know, maybe if
Been seeing this all the time, right?
Yeah, like maybe
Buffalo.
if that was the support, like, and that was the only support, right? And then all these weren't there, and then it was just super clean candles, right, to the left, then that could be like an advantage point, right? Where like you can go break even and then hold your trade for like this clean range. But when you have all this other support everywhere, there's another one over here, it gets tough. You know, it gets tough. Remember, hindsight's 2020. So if you see the candle driving right now, you go, wow, you know, why didn't we take that trade? But before that candle formed, you have to read what the market has going on to the left. And in this case, it was just for me too much support, not enough advantage point, you know, and yeah, just overall choppy.
Yeah, and over time, like with experience, we see that move is like a 50-50 move. And we don't want to go against our rules, right? We don't want to sell at support either, right? So we don't want to break our rules or our plan or have a bad win, you know? So.
Yep. You don't think we could disregard those small areas concerning? Yes, so I do, but we never got a close below in the 30-minute. So if this candle, notice how this candle right here, 9 to 9:30, it never closed below support. And we also never got a top wick on this candle. So this was the main support I was looking at right here, because if you notice, this got the most touches on it, right? This support right here. So that's going to be your strongest support. Also has a lot of resistance, a lot of taps down. So that's going to be your key area there. And we never closed below, you know, so maybe had we closed below, we could say, okay, after we get a top wick, let's take sells here. Volume should push us through. Yes. But without a closure below and then no top wick, and it gets tough to do that. Plus 4 hour also closed bullish too. Great.
Green Reed. What's up, bro?
Yo, what's up, Green?
Green's gonna be like, hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hey, yo, be water, my friend. What is this? Sheesh.
What's up?
Not gonna lie, that looks gas. Yo.
Let me see.
Bruh.
Damn, what the
What
heck is
in the
this?
world is this? This looks actually, this look like a calzone
Humana.
with some
Yo.
with some eggs in it. Wait, is that all egg or
Damn.
is that cheese?
That looks like egg and cheese in a freaking
Yo,
calzone, bro.
Man, that looks fire, bro.
that looks nuts.
Holy sh... My man, where did you get that with butter? Oh my.
It looks good. Be like water.
It's wild.
Am I looking for buys? There's no signs for buys here just yet, so no. Nope.
First
No.
time I've ever seen that.
Yeah, that actually looked gas. That butter's
Word.
bleeding. Yeah, that
Bro.
butter's bleeding.
Whoever sent that, what restaurant did you get that at?
It's a great butter.
Literally, and what was the name of the dish?
Yeah, right? Thanks.
I'll look
what
for
do you
that
call it?
somewhere. Yeah.
or are you be like water? We need you.
Can you imagine the butter is raspberry flavor?
Oh man.
Yeah, imagine.
GJ not bad. Let's see if we can close back above. Buys aren't too bad on pound yen. I don't see any buys on gold yet. We would have to at least close bullish and most likely back above 90, 92 here. Yeah, daily just tapped 90, so target has been tapped. But look, again, below 85 is clean. So I'm still open for sells, but I want to sell in some clean range. That's my national food. I'm from Georgia. One of the traditionals. Oh, nice. It's like a
Yo,
cheese
there's a
boat.
Georgian restaurant in Bali. I'm gonna check it out.
Yo, maybe they have it.
Kachap
Yeah,
Puri or
facts.
something. Somebody wrote in here. I just looked it up here. That looks fire.
Take a
Damn,
piece
yeah,
of
he's
bread and
eating
dip
a
it.
piece
Oh,
of the
nice.
bread. Yo. Stop playing.
Yeah, we got those over here. Panera bread. No, just kidding.
Yeah.
Yo, what up, John Wayne? How you doing, brother? Good to
John
see you,
Wayne.
mate.
Coolest name out there.
Not gonna lie, that looked fire though. Someone else is eating tacos here.
Tacos are only meant
Tacos.
for Tuesday.
Tacos are for tomorrow, but maybe it's Tuesday already. Actually,
Sure.
no, it's not Tuesday yet. Oh, damn. See, look, you got TK all fired up to make a new video. Uh-oh. TK's going to give
for
us the
real? TK, you about
vlog,
to make that?
going to the store, picking out the items. Let's go.
Bro, TK, just letting you know, man, I enjoy those videos. Keep doing your thing.
I got to go to the store, though.
When did going to the store become annoying? Oh, you got those tacos in Houston, Matt G? Nice, bro. Olive oil? I don't know. I've had it. Bro, Landon, tell me about it, man. That's what I get from there. I get the chicken Alfredo pasta. Coming? Yeah, unlimited breadsticks, low-key wild. They give a lot, too.
Their salad is fire too. Like that little
Yeah,
thing that
olive
they
garden?
gave you before. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And they do the cheese. They bring
Oh.
the cheese around.
I don't do
You're
salad.
like, all right, no.
They're like, all right, you want some cheese? Yeah, whoa, that's enough right there. Jeez. Oh,
Yeah.
man. Wow.
They're like, let me know. Just say stop.
TK's trying to build a time machine over there. That's right, Trav. He's like Doc from Back to the Future.
Let me know when you got that set. When it's ready.
Oi, what up, Osama? Oi, gang.
Wait.
Can I quit my job? Yeah, I mean, if you got enough money.
If you're confident enough.
Retirement is not an age, it's an income. So is the income there? If it is, then yeah. Or maybe in your case, just keep the gig and use this as a secondary income. Yeah.
Yeah, I was just watching a podcast the other day. There's this dude who has made over $500,000 in prop firms, and he still works his job. So, do what you got to do, you know?
Oh man. Yeah, GJ closing bullish here.
Man, C forgot all the inside information.
Yeah, right.
That's awesome.
Yo, C4, DM me the ingredient, the recipe to Alfredo sauce.
Oh, that's fire.
Right. Yeah, C pound yen here.
Yeah, GJ looks not too bad here. 1 hour did close bearish, but 30 did close bullish here. If we get a bottom wick, I may be interested here in some buy stops. Yeah, we've created a new support. You got no top wick here too, so price may run up to give that candle a top wick.
4 hour.
Yeah, 4 hours bullish up. Daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish, 1 hour's bearish, but 30-minute close bullish, creating support, 15 as well. So if we get a bottom wick, yeah, probably gonna have buy stops there.
Need an entry.
You live stream every day? Yeah, every day. Yo, chat, my bad. I set up a private live stream today. So if you guys were looking for it in like London and pre-New York, you're probably like, yo, where's this dude's live stream at? Yeah, I had it all set up for a private stream. Whoops, my bad. All right, there's 85, so we'll see what happens there. Oatmeal. Yeah, this looks pretty good, chat. I'm gonna have buy stops on pound yen here. Looks good. Oh, I forgot to change this background here. Where's price? Where are you, GJ?
Like 20 less than 25 pip stops. Previous candle as well.
Yeah, not bad at all. Oh, let me open up MT5 here. Yeah, I want to count a little bit for spread here too. Yeah, buy stops on GJ. Looks pretty good. We got a support. We are pretty bullish on the overall day. We're pretty bullish on the 4 hour as well. And this may start to run up here. So that's going to be buy stops on a break of the current high here on GJ. And then gold, yeah, gold, we're at the bottom here. Let's see. Should we just take a buy and predict we're at the bottom, or should we wait for a bullish close? What do you think? What do you think? Let's see. GJ should be good to move up. Might be a slow run, but yeah. Full margin to buys.
Yeah, looks good here. Looks good. Playbook setup, right? Pulse for execution. I like this bottom wick also. Big if though, right? We need to break those highs. Where's my TP? I'm targeting 184, 300 around there, around those areas.
I'm gonna call you back. I'll call you back a little bit later. Yeah, I'll check with that and then I'll let you know.
Yeah, well,
All right. All right, cool. Yeah. All right, see ya. All right, can we get activated here? That's it. Good looking, Sam. Mute. All right, I think I've been activated here, chat. So got into some buys on pound yen. Stops are going to be kept below the previous candle low. TP is going to be up here towards like 184, 300. And then I'm going to look to most likely secure some profits right around 184 here. So that's going to be the trade for me. Partial set. All right, cool. Yeah, that's it. Now we let it ride. And then Goldie. Yep, gold looks like it's creating support here, so perfect. I can hear you talking. Oh, we're back to the opening song here. Dum. Air push-ups now. There you go.
air push-ups.
Last chance for GJ? Yeah. Last chance, pound yen.
See what y'all can do.
Yeah, I do want to keep an eye on gold here as well. Because remember what we talked about potentially gold giving us a bullish candle and then closing bearish? And then taking sells off of this like breakout / onion. So we'll see. We'll see. Ooh. And inhalers hanging from the ceiling. How many lots I got? I got on this trade I got 40 lots open. Yeah, 40 lots. So I'm just gonna move my stops up to the current candle as well. We shouldn't break that low if we want to move up. And gold, we'll just have to wait. Just gotta wait on Goldie. Hey, opening stream song. Yeah, this GJ move may take a little while. I'm chilling. Yes, sir. AB Mike. Yes, sir. Yeah, let's take a look at NASDAQ. How'd that 15 close? Yeah, those would have been our positions there. Off the 15, looks like we would have tapped target there. So yeah, NAS is looking good. Looking Gucci. Yeah, I like NASDAQ, man. It's gonna be a good pair this year.
Be a good year.
And yeah, gold just working. Gold working.
Breathe air.
Breathe air. NAS 100 instead of GJ. Yeah, that's pretty much what it's gonna be moving forward into the new year. Yeah, it's tough to trade pound yen now because of the lack of volume. So after you get your hands on a pair like gold, it's very difficult to really even go back to Forex. So yeah, but that was a nice clean move up. That was pretty much the job that we wanted. So basically, I don't know where the actual candle entry would have been, but this pretty much would have been our move here. Stops below the low, and yeah, something like that. Stop loss current 30-minute low on GJ. Current 30 low on GJ. Yes, sorry guys. Yeah, I did move my stops to the current low there. Yep.
15 closure coming up. Couple seconds.
Yep. So yeah, went from risking 2% to 1%.
Good closure.
We got a close, 15 closure. All right, cool. Yeah, we got a 15 close, so we'll see what happens. Nice, strong, bullish closure. We shouldn't we should respect that low there too if we want to keep moving up. So, yeah. Got 10:15 and 10:30 coming in. Yeah, that's true, AB Mike. That's a really good point. Really, really good point there. You always want to be comfortable with your risk. You know, sometimes you're going to be in a trade over leverage and you may tend to screw that trade up, not because anything's wrong with the trade, but just because you're over leveraged on it, you know. So, and then you could be sitting at, you got to find your sweet spot, right? What works best for you, and then that way you could be comfortable in the trades.
That's what it's about at the end of the day.
Yeah. AB Mike dropping gents.
Oh,
let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna go B here. Take all the risk off here. So risk-free trade, no longer risking anything on this, and now we are free to go.
push.
Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna close partials right there. So closing partials at 13 pips, and next point would be up here. So beautiful trade, very, very simple. Lovely. Awesome. Beautiful trade, gang. Stops are at B, close 80%, let it run.
Wow, I was about to flip.
Yep. Lovely. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Who can't hear my
Yes,
mic?
sir.
Perfectly.
All right, good. Yes, sir. W's. All right, good trade, chat. Let's go ahead and mark that one up. Thank you, Pound Yen. Appreciate the love and support. Trades at break even, and then we'll just let this thing rock now. GJ.
Oh,
And gold's still working here. Lovely. Sorry, I just joined. Can you explain? Yeah, let's talk about the trade. So, trade was very simple, gang. Got into buys on the break of the highs there, due to the fact that we were bullish on the daily. We were also bullish on the 4 hour. Right now, the 4 hour is beginning to flip. 1 hour was the only sign that was bearish, right? But we expected a top wick on that 4 hour, 1 hour candle. 30-minute planted a nice support in which we were waiting for since the open of the session here. We were waiting on that support. Patience pays once again. We found the support. We got the closure we needed. Entry was on the break of the highs. Partials was up here at this resistance, and then the full position should be good for about 45 pips up until 184.300. So that was the idea there, just to continue to flow with the higher time frames. Waiting for that support. We had an onion playbook position printed and executed. And just hit partials. Yep. Finally, GJ.
DJ back. See.
Yep. And always follow your own analysis, right? If you didn't like the trade, you don't like it, you don't take it. If you like it, you take it, right? I liked it, so I take it. And no one else's thoughts or analysis really matter, right? So when you guys comment in the chat, like, don't do this or don't do that, like, remember, I'm trading based off of my experience, right? My system, my strategy. So it may not look good for your strategy, but it doesn't mean, you know, it's not good for mine. So, right? Vice versa too. Sometimes I don't like your positions, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't take them.
Right or wrong.
No right or wrong in FX. Let's go ahead and mark this up. And that's on to the next trade. Let's see if we get a runner out of it. Excuse me, guys. So that was 10 a.m., right? 10 a.m. entry. 10:15, I think, is when we got going. 12. 12-11. Oh, tomorrow's 12-12. 12-12. GJ on the board twice this month.
Oh,
Hey, yo, GJ buy. Onion.
yeah.
Break
This
of
close full.
current. 30. Where we at? Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm gonna close another partials here, chat. So taking those 8 lots down to like 2 lots. And just let it run.
Loki should be
Just
good for
delete
that 4-hour wick fill.
Yeah, it looks good for the 4-hour to push up.
We'll see.
Oopsies. Delete. 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 All right, cool. All right, that's it. That's the trade. That is the trade. Yeah, let's finish that up. Full.
Thanks, Kanyan.
Got 13, and then the rest of that was pretty much closed. We're sitting like 18 pips. Yeah, so 13. So about 18 pips there. 13 and then 18. All right, cool. Sweet. Simple. On to the next trade. What's your thoughts
GJ
about
staying alive, I guess.
What'd you say, bud?
I guess GJ staying alive.
GJ's back. GJ's not leaving.
And that's all we've been waiting for, right? Since the beginning of the sesh, that pullback support.
Yeah, that's what we planned here, right? Very often you're going to see us plan things out in the morning, stay disciplined, stay patient, and just wait for them. You know, everyone's like this and that and this. Like, we're just going to sit tight and wait for our positions. Always. And gold continuing to drive down here. Wow. Wowzers. Side chicks moving. Update monthly record. All right, let's do it. All right, so win rate 112. All right, we're off the 111. Hey, 112 wins. And 221. A lot of 2s and 1s here. Wow, gold driving, man. 4-hour breaking them lows. Started driving. Yeah, gold there's no bullish confirmation at all. Like, there's no confirmation for buys. Those of you guys that are asking about taking buys, there's no confirmation here whatsoever. Raja would say, do you see a bullish candle? Inside info. Uh-oh. Gold will go to 1940. Yeah, I think next stop on the daily is probably 77. And 40. 40 is a nice target for the week, I think. Yeah, right here, this weekly target. So now that you've created resistance here on the weekly, the next target on the weekly is right around 1940. So yeah, you do have a point there. We were looking at that this morning. So yeah, that is your target there on the weekly. I think we can come up and make a steeper top wick though. What do you guys think? Maybe with CPI tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, Sam Capital's here still. What up, Sammy boy?
Sam the man. God bless GJ. Right?
We said our prayers this morning. Included GJ. Wow. Yeah, really. just heavy volume here on pound yen. I mean on gold coming down. You got a closure coming up here in 3 minutes on gold. 30-minute close. 1 hour close with no bottom wick. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. GJ's I told you guys, GJ's my favorite pair. It's been with me since day one. Oh, we're still, what are we doing here? I forgot we were even in this still. Yeah, like I said, this is probably going to be a...
What?
Yeah, I got like 2 lots open still. One and a half lots, something like that. I closed majority of everything here.
Curious to see how GJ what GJ's gonna do here.
Yeah. Great work, everyone. Great work in the Signals channel. Thank you, Alexandru and Eugene, for all you guys do in that channel. Hooking it up so everyone knows where we're at, what we're looking at. I know there's some people
TK,
that work.
The pips are different.
Yeah, they are.
And GJ and gold, a little different. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're B here. We're just chilling on this one, and damn, gold. Let's see, we may close a no bottom wick here on gold too. How many of you guys stayed out of GJ? I don't blame you. I mean, it was a playbook setup, so I would... Obviously, I got in, but if you got it, if you didn't get in there because you don't like GJ, that's fine.
Yeah, I got in there, lowered my risk. Good amount though.
I went full margin. No, I'm just kidding. I was risking 2%.
I had 1%, yeah.
I don't trust GJ anymore. Yeah, that's cool. No worries, gang.
Let's see how we react at this advantage point. Curious.
10 lots on gold is 14 lots on GJ. Yeah, I think you're pretty accurate on that.
That's correct. Yeah.
How do you set up a pip counter in TradingView? That's not in TradingView. That's actually just something that we finagled, me and TK. Well, mainly TK, but yeah, that's something that TK just put together. He's from the future. We finagled it, baby. We made it happen for the stream.
Genius.
Damn, haven't seen GJ on the Signals channel here in a while. Looks weird. Looks weird.
I don't know. We'll see. GJ can make a comeback here.
Good.
Sleep on him.
Don't sleep on GJ. Yeah, target tap there on NASDAQ. So another great sample size position there. Oh, sorry guys. You guys are down here. Put you back up. Can GJ drive more? Yeah, I could see GJ potentially driving up towards oh look, so look, we gave the 1 hour top wick. So that may be all we do. 30-minute is going to close. Oh yeah, 30-minute did close. Yeah, we closed pretty strong bullish. We should survive BE here. And, you know, there's a opportunity or a potential for the rejection to happen here. That's why we had these closed partials there. But overall, this 30-minute right here closed very healthy candle. You should see a bottom wick on this candle now, and then a potential next move up, tapping into 184.300 here. Yeah, that's the overall target. So we'll see if we could survive break even here, and if we do, should be good.
Previous 15-minute lows too is like right at BE as well. If you're trailing your stops,
yeah, you're right, bro. Yeah, if you guys want to move your stops from BE to like the 15 low, I think it's only a little bit of a difference.
Well, with the fees and commissions.
3 pips, yeah. That's not a bad idea. If price does come down, you may survive keeping it below the 15 low there.
Yeah, that's if you're holding till 300, 184, 300 here. That 4-hour wick fill, whatever y'all are doing.
Yeah, if I had the full position in, I'd do that, but I don't care about this runner here.
Exactly, yeah. If you got the full position in, yeah.
Closed full. Nice job. Nice job. Kerala. Kerala.
Oh, I can't do it.
Kerala. Kerala.
Yeah.
By the way, thank you again for the timestamps. Thank you, thank you. They make a difference. They definitely help out. So if we re-break the high, that's your opportunity to move your stop below the low there. So below the 30 low, if you break the high there, you can put your stops in profit if you'd like. It's just the idea here. So you move them so that they were here, right? And then we move them here. And then as we close partials, we move them to break even. And now if this high breaks, you can move your stops and have them sit below the low. Why are you area scared when you take 2 losses? I ain't never scared. Oh, why are you scared? I don't know. Maybe you just don't have enough experience in the game. Losses are part of it. Yeah, losses are part of this thing, man. It's like going up to the plate, striking out twice. You're like, I want to get a hit next time. But it's part of the game.
Sure.
Just because you strike out twice, imagine if a professional baseball player struck out twice and then they thought they could never get another hit again. That'd be pretty stupid, right? That's how a lot of people think when they trade. Damn, I took 2-3 losses. I suck at this thing. Let me quit and settle for an average life. Trust me, losses are part of the game, man.
Treat it like a business, right? Business got expenses. Pay your rent to the markets and come back and make a bag. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. It talks about that in the slight edge too, right? If a baby falls twice, right, while they're walking, they're not just gonna be like, you know what? This whole walking thing's overrated. I think I'm just gonna crawl the rest of my life, right? You don't. That would be that just would sound silly, wouldn't it? All right, AB Mike. Hey, AB Mike's got a message for us tomorrow. Let's chat tomorrow, AB Mike. Yeah, we appreciate AB Mike. We're proud of AB Mike too, man. Just I don't know. It seems like since you came on Zoom that day, you got this new swag, right? Anybody notice that new swag with AB Mike? Crushing it on Nas 100.
A little bit.
Taking GJ.
Trying to get payouts.
Hitting gold. He ain't trying. He's doing it. Yeah, proud of you, bro.
Let's get it, AB Mike.
Good work, man.
Oh, man.
All right, look, so now we're breaking that high here. So if you guys want, I'm going to do it just for the hell, just to practice it and show it as an example. But now our stops after breaking the high can go right below the 30-minute. Right below that 30-minute low there. So just kind of trying to be an example here and show you guys what we're looking to do moving forward. Now our position is pretty much closed and we've got, stops sitting like 6 pips in profit here. Right? If you're breaking the high, you shouldn't come down and re-break the low. If you do, you're probably going to get BE. So why not take like 4 pips?
100%. For all my live accounts, that becomes live money. Still 6 pips in profit. It's still profit, right? So,
yep.
Still can get you places.
Took 3 losses today, but I'm still standing. All right, Daniel. Yeah, no worries, man. As long as they were playbook positions, then W. If not, then, you know, revisit that idea and revisit that discipline. What was the setup on NASDAQ? I don't see anything. So it was on the 15-minute. So it was just a simple 15-minute breakout on a bullish day right here. That was your closure above, and you know you were forced to use current candle stops there, and target was up here at like this level here. So yeah, that would have been the trade. Tight stop loss too on that. George VDM, what's good? What's good, George? My bad. I don't think I seen you today. I think I seen you maybe a little bit earlier. DL Fowler's in the house.
Georgie.
Disco dancing. Let's get it.
Yo.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, wow. Look at this. Gold driving here. Sheesh. Yeah, not our day on gold today. That's fine. Monday. A lot of news coming up in the week here ahead, so that's totally fine. If you guys got
We'll be
profits
back
on
tomorrow.
gold today,
That's-
congrats. Yeah, that's true. We'll be back tomorrow. Back to business.
Goodness. All right, yeah, boys. I think that's gonna do it for me, though.
All right, cool.
W trade.
Yes, sir.
W
Yeah,
trade.
nice
WS.
GJ position.
Yeah,
It's
let's
been a
go.
minute. It's been a while. for
W
Tyler.
patience and discipline. Yeah, throughout the whole journey. Let's go.
Yes, sir. I'll see you mañana.
All right, bet. I'll talk to you later. Peace, Rafi.
Have a good day, John. Take it
Thank
easy.
you, bro. You as well, man. Chad, I'll catch you later, and we'll be back tomorrow. Let's get it. Peace.
Yes, sir. Later, bro.
Good.
Have a great day.
Peace. Thank you, bro. You as well.
Gracias. Yeah, I think that's it for me too, chat. Good job. Great work today. Rafi, thanks for coming on as always, my man.
No, thank you for having me, brother.
Yes, sir. Pretty chill day, but got the job done here on GJ. Gold is just gonna bleed here, it looks like. So we're gonna let gold do its thing until probably tomorrow, and come back for CPI. It's gonna be a good one. Don't miss tomorrow's stream. It's gonna be lots of volume. Yeah, lots of volume coming in.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
All right, cool. All right, chat. Love y'all. W's on the way out here today. All the mods, thanks for coming in. Thanks for pulling up, Rafi, as always. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, baby.
See you later, boys.
All right, brother. All right, chat. Later, man. Love y'all. Be blessed today. Have a great one. Don't overtrade. Don't over risk. And we'll see you tomorrow back at the TTE trade floor. Dubs, gang. Later. Love y'all.